my testing. Okay, perfect. Let me go to my main camera. Alright, well, now we're live, and as you guys can tell by title and thumbnail, headliner closes open. There we go. As you guys can tell by title and thumbnail, this is currently day 225. I'm assuming part 27. Yeah, I did create a thumbnail, but I actually forgot what title and thumbnail it was. You guys can like fact check it because the title and thumbnail is legit. That's the better what I'm saying right now because I do forget what it is. That said, last stream I did actually work on getting my, let's say, attack logic or attack rig for my NPC to work, but it did not work because my Claude V tried a limit. Although this stream I am going to be working on adding my attack rig to my enemy and then my death rig and maybe calling that day afterwards because I do still need to add my map, but I could do that this stream as well. I was thinking to make my map look a bit better depending on the time because I still do gotta make music and some VFX. Honestly, thinking about it, I might skip on my VFX for now. I'm just going to be working a little on music. If I have time, if I didn't, then I'm just going to go ahead and just ship the game up and then just fix some bugs and all that stuff. That said, let's go to my gameplay screen. There we go. Okay, and yeah, this is a brand new chat. This was my Unreal Engine here. Let me just go ahead and double click that to open it. Honestly, I'm going to go up here. Okay, look at BS underscore no underscore run idle on the right side. Drag the result bit. Okay, that is almost perfect. What are we working on here? Okay, let me just say something like compile and send me a screenshot. Wait, let me say something like Sensei, I'm live again! Exclamation. And today I want to work on adding a rig to my attack animation for my NPC. I did the C++ part, although even though I created an animation montage for my attack, my NPC does not play the animation. Okay, and then let's send it. And yeah, I know I didn't give enough information up here. That said, if I were to go and hit something like Control Alt F11 to compile the code real quick and wait for it to compile. While it's compiling, I'm just going to arrange myself up here and check if I actually arranged everything back. There we go. Okay, let's see. Let's wait for this to actually go up. Okay, let's wait for it to compile. This is the first time. I mean, I just ran the program, so it's going to take a while to compile. While it's compiling, I might go to my webcam properties. I'm going to go to something like properties, configure video. Under my exposure, I'm going to increase my exposure. Oh, I decreased it, my bad. I'm going to increase it just a tad bit, hit apply, and then I'm going to decrease my gain. There we go. Okay, that looks good. I don't want it to be too bright, but I don't want it to be too dark as well. Okay, that's it. Now that it can run, I'm going to go ahead and exit that and let's run the program. Okay, so basically I can move, my NPCs can walk around. Okay, they can walk, and when they're close to me, they're idle. When they start to attack me, nothing happens, but my attack animation does work on them. I can zoom out, I can zoom in, and then I can go ahead and attack. Up. And then the faster I attack, the faster it hits. Okay. Oh, 3 HP is kind of scary out here. Oh god. Okay, wave survived. 1 kills 2, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and quit. Okay, that was just a basic thing that I wanted to test. Although, let's get Claude up here. Okay, before we fix anything, send me a screenshot of your enemy NPCs as header files, and then C++ file, your animation montage, your BP underscore enemy. Specifically the animation section, the details is panel. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and open my Visual Studio as well, because I might need that right now. Okay, let's wait for it to open real quick. This shouldn't take nearly as long. It's just gonna show a loading screen up here. Okay, let's wait for that because I do want to actually get over with or be done with all my rigging by this stream, because I've been spending rigging for the past, I don't know how many ever streams I was doing. And what day is it? Let me check real quick. Okay, so it's day 226 and part 24. There we go. That's even more realistic here. So day 226 basically means I've got right about 24 more days left for this series to get over. So yeah, I gotta actually take this seriously. Yeah, what's good, Brownie Sprong? Will appreciate you joining the stream. Okay, so this is my enemy NPCs as header files. I'm gonna go with Control A, Control C, copy that, paste that here, send it, and then I'm gonna go with Shift Enter, and then let's go to my C++ files. I'm gonna go with Control A, Control C. Okay, the one, actually let's say something like that was my .h file. and then I'm gonna go down, and then I'm gonna paste this. That was my .cpp file. Okay, perfect. And then I'm gonna move on to my Unreal Engine real quick. Let's move on to, let's say, my AVP_Noah, which is my anim blueprint for my Noah. Did Plot actually ask for this? Your animation montage inside Unreal Engine, your BP_enemy NPC. So BP_enemy NPC has a skeletal mesh. Okay, I'm gonna go with Windows Shift S, take a quick little picture. Got a major exam the day after tomorrow. Actually, I do got an exam on Monday as well. I don't know what am I doing here, spending a lot of time. But that said, I gotta study for that exam as soon as I'm done with the stream. Camera setup, 3 follows. Guys, I cannot read Hindi. Okay, that's it. Great progress, man. Let's go. Okay, so I needed to send a screenshot of that. And lastly, the animation montage, which is basically gonna be this, right? Okay. Animation montage is going to be my content drawer. There we go. I'm going to go to my... There we go, animation montage. Let's go with the Windows Shift S. I'm going to take a quick little picture, grab plot up here and paste it. Now let's send it. Okay, I see everything. Good code, but I found the problem. Look at your BP_enemy NPC. Animation mode, use animation blueprint, anim class, see Noah skeletal mesh. Okay, montage exists and plays in preview. Your attack montage variable is not assigned to BP_enemy. I did that. Step 1, open BP_enemy NPC. Double click the BP_enemy NPC. Class defaults at the top. Scroll down to combat selection. You'll see attack montage. Currently none. Wait, you're kidding me. I made sure to confirm this yesterday. Go under the combat section. Oh wow. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, this would be pretty awful. What are you doing? Actually, I'm trying to be done with this game here. There we go. Okay, I knew it's not gonna work. Like, okay, it still doesn't work though. Did I get it done? That is animation blueprint, animation montage. Okay, let's scroll a bit lower. I want to go a little bit lower. Did I do that? Open full blueprint preview. I want to go to my viewport real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and do my montage. Okay, now this is set to my animation montage. Are you making a game? Actually, yeah, this is a game for my program for like 2-3 series. And my goal by the end of this game was to make a game in general that consists of AI logic. I'm done with the AI logic part, but now I'm doing the gray boxing, which means replacing all of Unreal Engine's meshes and assets with my own meshes and assets. That said, let's go with something like I set it, but I still did not see my Noah attacking animation. Okay, I should have added like an apostrophe S for Noah's attacking animation. But yeah, Noah's assigned, but now I need to check these slots. The montage is signed, but the animation still won't play if the node slots needs AVP_Noah. Think of it like this. Go to AVP_Noah right now, click the thing, okay, go inside. Click anim graph. I need to check if you have a default slot. So inside my anim graph, I need a default slot. Check as I'm chess, what's happening next? You got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. Anim graph. Wait, what? I did not create anim graph. Hold on a minute. I did create animation blueprint. So AVP_Noah. Click the tab at the top. Okay, inside, go to click anim graph. Oh, there we go. My bad. Okay, let's paste it and say this is what I have in my anim graph. Ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no. I do not actually have a slot. I just realized that. Exactly what I expected. The slot is missing. Right now you have locomotion. You need default slot fix. Disconnect the current line. Click on the white slide between Noah locomotion and output pose. Hit delete to remove it. Add the new slot. Right click on the empty space between those two nodes. Click slot, default slot. Then reconnect everything. Okay, let's just break the link. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak mind. Okay, was it right click on an empty space? There we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with slot.
Life better pop off. What do you?
Fine, I'll go with default slot.
No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me.
Source results.
What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy and spray.
Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and compile. Let's hit Control-Shift-S to save everything. Mother truth, let's start running it.
Fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say.
Yeah, I mean, I still don't see them kind of hitting me. I don't see the animation here. Okay. Well, I mean, it's mostly about trial and error. Let's keep seeing it. I just see idle. I see AM_Nova attack and run. I do not see anything else. Go Windows-Shift-S.
So bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat. I don't know my wrath. My blood boils over like, oh God.
I tried this, but their animation still does not play. Yeah, because I've been trying to figure this out ever since last stream. Actually, the stream before that. The progress compiled successfully, but I see the problem. Look at your gray animation. That's correct, but notice something. Nova_locomotion output is not connected to default slot source pin. The line goes from Nova locomotion directly into output first, bypassing the slot. Delete all connections, reconnect properly. Locomotion, source pin, locomotion. Isn't the locomotion literally in the source pin? Okay, I'm pretty sure that was in the source pin, wasn't it? Output pin is gonna be inside the output result. It must be a chain, not separate connected. They're literally the same. But also, I need you to send me a screenshot of where play attack montage is being called from. The pins are correct, but what did you mean by this? Let's see. I have a question, let me explain your C++ function. Okay, I do remember this function, but the function is just sitting there, not doing something. So that's the question. What tells Nova to attack right now? Your code play attack montage is never being triggered by anything. You have three options. From AI controller, your AI controller detects the player, okay, is close calls. Option 2 from enemy NPC.C++ using a timer from blueprint. Send your AI controllers as header in C++. I don't know if I want to add changes to this, but let's go with AI controllers as header, control A, control C. Let's go up there, let's paste it. This is my .h. This is my .cpp. Okay, and then let's go to my C++, control A, control C. Let me go up there, paste it, and let's send it. Okay, I see everything. Your AI is solid, but there's a problem. Look at your handle attack. So we have that. You're dealing damage, but never calling your play attack montage. The fix is in one line. Okay. Find handle attack and update. Okay, so that is my handle attack. Play the attack. Okay, well, I guess let's go to my handle attack. Let's go with Control F.
I got a switch in my head. I go from living to dead. You got me seeing all red. Now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said. I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget. So now you have a few debts. That shit, it needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen.
Okay, there we go. Handle attack.
And it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear.
Okay, and then we call our attack montage, Control S. And then let's say something like done. And in case you guys can't see my entire window from my horizontal, from my vertical stream, make sure to move on to my horizontal stream. That's on display my window in landscape mode. Then if you guys try and ask me that stuff. Now test it in the game. Okay, well I guess I'm gonna go with something like Control Alt F11 to compile. Let's wait for this to compile real quick. And is my camera too bright? Let me know when my camera gets too bright. I can just go to my properties, configure video, and decrease some of the gain. There we go. Oh wait, that's too low. Too high, too low. There we go. Just try it. Okay, I guess fingers crossed. We'll see. Oh wow, now they deal damage. Oh god, they're kicking me. I did not know there was things related like that. Okay, well at least they're attacking me. It looks so ridiculous attacking me that way. What the hell? Are they still kicking my dead body? Okay, well I guess I'm gonna go ahead and quit. Okay, let's say something like, it worked! Exclamation. Now, can we work on the final rig, which is damage? Let's go with something like final, F-I-N-A-L-E, which is damage. Actually, which is dead. And my NPCs disappear when they die now. I want the animation to play, and then I want them to die a second later. Okay, and then let's go ahead and send this. Okay, let's go. Noah is fighting now, and let's give him a proper death. So here's the plan. Your current handle death does this. Death destroy immediately. We want play death montage. Wait, then destroy. Step 1, create the death montage and until ends, and I'm done with that first. We already have. Okay, I created. Okay, I have my dead animation, but I did not convert it to a montage yet. Okay, step 1, find the animation, go to content browser, find Noah final death draft, create the montage, right click the final draft. Okay, create an montage, am_Noah death. Let's do that first. am_Noah death. Okay, so we're going to go to content browser, and then I'm going to go with something like a right click. I'm going to go do something like animation and create an animation montage here. And this is going to be for my Noah, am_Noah dead. Whoops. There we go. Okay, perfect. And now in my am_Noah dead, double click, open it. Verify the slot. Once it open, make sure slot says group. Okay. I'm gonna go here and let's find my dead animation. I'm gonna drag it here. Nice. Okay, and then let's go with something like Windows Shift S and say done. Spaced it and say done. Okay, now we gotta go and do some C++ stuff, and then we're gonna be adding the final stuff, which is gonna be the map. But after this animation, I'm assuming this is my final animation. I'm done with one, I'm done with item, I'm done with attack, I'm done with... Okay, I'm working on dead. Okay, it's ready, created. Now, open enemy C++ file and add a death montage. Existing, add this, add that. Add this. Why in the world are they in separate places? Let me go ahead and get Claude in another tab as well so I can use it as a reference. And let's open C++. I'm going to go with my enemies' header files. In my header files, I'm going to go ahead and refresh that real quick. Oh wow, I can't refresh it, or can I? Oh, I can. Okay, so in my header files, under my protected data members, I'm supposed to have Boolean is attacking. I have an attack montage. I gotta go ahead and add a death montage. Copy, and then let's add another comment that says something like death montage. Then I'm gonna paste this. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and paste a Boolean check of is dead as well. I think. Did you buy Pokemon pack? Actually, I did not buy the Pokemon pack. I'm first saving up for, which we'll call it, the graphics card, and then I'm going to work on the other stuff. And I just dropped my water bottle. Okay, that said, I'm going to go ahead and paste a Boolean check here. Let's go with something like Boolean death check. Then let's paste it here. So, your property Boolean is dead. And then under my public data members, I'm gonna go ahead and add a play death montage to this function. Okay, let's just go ahead and check it out. Let's go with something like a comment that says play death montage. There we go. And then let's hit Control S to save the code. Next up, in my C++ file, update and add this function. So my playdeath montage is gonna go ahead and have a function. Okay, update enemy C++. So I gotta define my playdeath montage. Define playdeath montage. Oops, there we go. Okay, so once you're done with the playdeath montage, gotta go ahead and update my arena controller. I'm gonna go with Control S. Let's go to my arena controller's C++ file. Update the handle death function. So I'm assuming my handle death function is right here.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away.
Okay, death stop all. Remove enemy from the game.
It's going wrong without a chemistry.
After
All of a sudden, I don't look at
playing
it. Gotta feel my thoughts sitting in
a
it.
second
I'm sorry that I'm sorry.
after the death montage
Me and I'll
is
stay
over.
away. I can see
Okay,
the
perfect.
me, I'm such a disgrace.
Uh,
Really asked
That's the next up. Let's see. So on that, I'm gonna go ahead and Control S to save this code. Also, don't forget to add include hashtag component slash capsule component. I have never heard of the capsule. I mean, I have heard of the capsule component, but this is like the first time that I'm actually using it here.
okay, maybe you can
Okay, let's go ahead and add my capsule components to header files. And then let's say something like done.
really hope
Once we're done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and open my Unreal Engine. Test it in game. So play the stuff. Wait, do I not gotta do anything else? Wait, should I not assign it somewhere or anything? Guys, Claude forgot. You gotta assign it in the VP underscore enemy NPC. Yes, I literally just said that at the bottom. Did you read the whole message? Oh shoot, guys, I actually forget to read messages. Double click VP underscore enemy, click class defaults, and then I'm gonna go ahead and look for, before I look for something, Control Alt F11 to compile the code. Look for attack montage, already done, death montage, okay. Wow, build failed. Okay, well I guess I'm gonna go here. I think we got a tiny little build failed here. Build failed. There we go. And then let's just go ahead and send it. Easy fix missing concludes. So you got I added this line though. Did I save my program after adding that? I did save it though. Oh. Uh-oh, my bad guys. You gotta add the character movement component. I can play our game, oh my god, it's okay. Okay, that's so let's just go ahead and compile it again. Okay, because I am actually going to be working on, I'm going to try to ship this as soon as possible because I do want to start with my new series. I'm kind of excited for it already. But before that, of course, I will be having a tiny vlog V-Line series because I did promise. I forgot his name. I think it was something like, the V-Line guy actually. I promised him that I would actually give it a try. So I'm going to go here. Let's go to this. I'm going to go to montage. In my montage, let's go ahead and add my AM underscore Hannah death, not Hannah. It needs to be Noah death. Okay, perfect. And then I'm gonna go ahead and compile. Okay, just compile and save. Control Shift S, and let's run it. Okay, let's try killing one. I want him to wait for hold up. He dies way too quick. I want him to stay down for. Okay, I just want him to stay down, not get up. And I want to increase the time just a tad bit. Okay, here's the thing. Let me go ahead and grab Claude up here again. Let's do this. Okay, wait, let me say something like, it works, exclamation. However, when he falls down, I want him to stay down, and can we keep him for 2 to 3 seconds before he disappears, question mark? That would be good. Okay, Noah properly, good, let's go. Easy fix, right now your timer destroys exactly this thing. Okay, go to enemy C++ file, play that montage, replace that with 2.5 seconds. Okay. So I'm gonna go up here and open this. So we gotta go to my enemy NPC C++ file. Death timer. Control F, let's go with DEATH, no death timer. Find this in play death montage. That's the last thing here. There we go, my death timer. In that, I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with this extra time. F death timer duration destroy. So this 10. Then Control S. Okay, I guess we go ahead and play it now. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Unreal Engine up here. Then let's hit something like Control Alt F11 to compile the code. This should actually get it compiled. And what is wrong with my gain? Like, I wish that I had like auto gain here. Auto configure video. Gotta freaking manually configure every time. There we go. Okay, is the game in development after it's in Google Play? Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna get it in Google Play. I haven't actually shipped the game yet, so I don't really know where do I completely ship the game. But I will actually look into that as soon as I'm done with this part. Because I think like making the game is the harder part first. Once I'm done with this, then I can figure the rest things out because I still do have about 20 days. Okay, I mean it does work. He does stay for 2.5 seconds. It works, but he stands up after his animation is complete. I want him to stay down. Because that would be even better. I mean, I do know how to fix that. I did that exact same thing for here. Okay, when the death montage finishes, so fix the death montage, update it. Oh wow, we did the entire montage here. Okay, what B pause anim does. I'm gonna go here. I hope the death montage accounted for everything here.
I can feel the sweat inside my palms.
Let's go with Control Alt F11 real quick.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Yeah, I think we're making really good progress out here.
Twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins.
Okay, now let's go ahead and run the program.
I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh.
Okay, he gets back up.
It's like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
Okay, I mean I did it, but then I did it, but he still stands up back to idle. Okay, let's start it again. Okay, still standing. Let's try a stronger approach. Update the death montage on enemies. C++. Okay, complete the animation. What's different now? Duration is 0.5. We free just before montage ends. Okay.
I feel like when I'm with you, I'm losing. I feel
we have to separate the strikes. There we go.
Sitting there, gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like.
There we go. Okay, now let's go ahead and run the program.
I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by.
Oh wow, wait. Let's try ending them quick.
I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so.
He still kind of gets up.
Diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
Okay, well I guess they still get up for some reason.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
They still get you back to idle. Oh, I did it from my Hannah though.
You don't ever want to set me free.
Okay, new approach. AVP is winning because the blend out of the is happening to duck. Let's go to am_nova then Unreal Engine. A blend out time from 0.25 to 0. Uncheck it. Enable auto blend. Fix 2. Update playdead montage. Okay, so the first thing, go to am_first, send me screenshot of the blend settings on the left panel. am_nova death. Blend settings, it's set to 0.25. I think it's okay, don't worry about that. Actually, I do want to get those micro things sorted out real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna change the blend time to 0 real quick. Oh wait, not blend time. Blend out. There we go, and then let's just go ahead and give it a try. Uh-oh, didn't fix it. Yeah, I guess let's go ahead and paste our blend out time, and then let's go ahead and get that here, go there. Let's try replacing this with this. And then I'm gonna go with Control S. Let's go with Control Alt F11. Give that a quick little try. Okay, now hopefully this might work, although I do need to see what makes the changes. Oh wow, we're running into an error here. Okay, did I not see something? Blend time equals 0, and I get this error. Put up, down. Oh, there. Okay, I was just assessing my situation up here. I get this error. Okay, I get this error. I know that I need to include something, but I don't know what I gotta include. I think it's something related that gives me access to my blend files. Okay, replace this line with set blend. Oh wow, we didn't really need an include for this. Okay, let's go there. Control S. Now let's go with Control Alt F11 real quick, and then I'm gonna go here. Let's go to AM underscore no get. While that is still compiling, I have my blend out to be 0. That is successfully linked. I'm gonna go here. And now the moment of truth. Let's try it. Let's try it. Before the others come. Okay, they still get up. Oh.
We're just getting started.
Okay, let me just say something like.
Hand me a drink, cause
Let's say it still did not work.
cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This
Let me say something like, do you want to refer from my Hannah question mark? Because for her, the death works. I stay down for a bit.
I think I'm
Unlike for my, unlike for my measure.
so I'm taking
Yes, brilliant thinking. Show me Hannah's default setup. So, ABP underscore Hannah enum graph. Okay, fine.
to the face and I wanna
ABP underscore Hannah's enum graph. I'm gonna go with Windows Shift S, take a look at this picture, and then I'm gonna paste it here. AM underscore Hannah's death. Let's go with AM underscore Hannah death. For that, I'm gonna get in Hannah's folder.
to the face. I'm taking 6 shots.
Then let's go with Windows Shift S.
Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed.
Okay, your Hannah's C++, specifically the death function. Oh wow. I gave Claude like a tiny little breather. It actually asked for so much here. I mean, it's not really so much if you think about it. You know.
Fabulous, can't wait.
Hannah is my Rena character. Let me say, Hannah is my
About to pop up.
Arena character.
You're lost. We all know that we never really wanna.
Okay, let's see.
I'ma do what I want to.
Okay, I see the difference, and I found it. Look at AM underscore Hannah enable blend unchecked and loop checked.
I want to.
Look at AM underscore Noah enable auto blend still checked. Loop unchecked. Two things to fix. Okay.
Don't know how to stop when I'm
ABP AM underscore Hannah this thing. So loop check
think I'm
uncheck.
crazy. Don't think
And blend out can be 25 then.
to the face. I'm taking 6 shots.
Actually, let's reset it default then.
I'm taking
I'm gonna go here. Let's go with Control Alt F11 real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and compile the code.
this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay.
Okay, once it's done compiling, I'm gonna go ahead and exit this. Let's go ahead and run the program. I'm gonna go
I'm taking 6
here. And let's go there.
to the face. I'm taking 6 shots. Are you coming with?
Oh wow, nice. Oh god, it actually worked. What the hell? Well, I guess I am that strong. Not bad. Let me just go ahead and add into some attack. I'm gonna try killing once more because I liked it.
Don't be scared.
Okay, I can't wait for me killing hordes. Let's say something like works exclamation. I'm gonna say it in the main chat now because I don't need to look for anything else. Here's the thing. I think I'm done with all my rigging part. That this is actually basically pretty much it for all my rigging. Okay, something like work exclamation. So it's basically not even blend out time. It's technically the enable auto blend out should be set to false and loop should be set to true. Now what's next? One unsaved. There. Okay, let's recap everything we did. So that was basically it. That said, I want to work on one more logic. If my player falls off my map, I want my player to lose 10% of his max HP every 2 seconds. Okay, and then let's end it. Okay, let's get it. Simple but deadly mechanic. Okay, before we do things, 2 questions. How do you detect fall off map in your game? You check. Okay, a trigger box on Unreal Engine plays below the map when it enters it. Which one do you want? Okay, let's say something like which one do you pick? I think that I like the trigger. What was the trigger stuff? A trigger box. Trigger box one. Okay, let's see. Okay, I guess let's let Fluff think. Okay, trigger box it is, and honestly, good choice. Okay, here's why the trigger box is better for your game. Z height check breaks if you bit hold. Okay. You place it exactly where you want it to work. The plan: step 1, create the class. Go to tools, new class, actor class, name it kill zone volume. Oh god, I hope that I don't reach. Okay, let me say. I might switch chats. Can you create me a prompt that I can give another chat and tell it everything that it needs to know about adding this trigger box and what is it that I am doing. While it's being done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and test my map now. So I'm gonna go ahead and select my entire map here. Let's go with A. Okay, well, I guess I gotta manually delete everything from here. Alright, what in the world is this? Firstly, I'm gonna remove everything from here because I'm done with almost everything. Then I'm gonna remove those, gonna remove those, gonna remove that, gonna remove that. Pretty sure I won't need it for now. Let's select the entire map. How to go to my outliner. Out my details is panel. Where is my outliner? Fine, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and just delete my fluorescence instance. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that, Where in the world is my outliner? There we go. Outliner 1, I want it to be checked. Where in the world is it? See my details is panel, but not my outliner. It's hard to delete the stuff without an outliner, you know? Hey man, can I get a favor? Yeah, sure, hot, no, see you later. Sometimes oh god. Gotta wash down the top 40s with a chaser. Your voice starts feeling like a fine 2. Oh wow, I love this. There we go, nice. Add it there. We got our details panel. I want my details panel to be below my outliner. We'll go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say. turn it from the left, chicken legs from the right. And then under my details panel, I might need something else. There we go. Okay, that is what I'm looking for. It's time to delete the entire. Oh no. I want to delete everything inside my playground. Even though I do sort of like this map here, you know. Fine, let's go with shift. Then we're gonna go ahead and right click and let's delete this whole thing. Maybe I'm gonna go ahead and look for delete. Oh wow, I spelled it wrong. Okay, and then in delete, I'm just gonna go ahead and click delete. That's gonna delete the whole entire thing. Oh wow, wait, what up? Could this be the reason? Oh, it is the reason. And then I'm gonna go ahead and delete, and then let's delete my map. There we go. Now here's the thing, I have my nav mesh here. Yo, hiding Tino, appreciate you joining the stream. Okay, that's it. Let's see. So I'm gonna go to my Calamity to, let's say, meshes. Not meshes, actually, assets. This is my asset. Oh wow, I don't have my assets. Calamity 2 Calamity 2LB. I have a map 2LB. I'm gonna take a quick little look at it. First, I'm gonna go here, and then I'm gonna make sure that I place it correctly down here. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this stuff organized. So I have my arena character, I have my blueprints, which is specifically for my arena blueprints, right? So I'm gonna change my regular blueprints to be something like arena blueprints. Yeah, it's fine. Calamity 2 assets, which is gonna go ahead and have my 2LB files. That tells I have my map already with them. No? And then I'm gonna go here. Let's go with shift. We add it. Uh-oh, is it gonna lag? Nope. I just realized something. I want to go ahead and create a folder for this. I'm gonna create a folder right here. This folder is gonna be called my map. Let's right click and I'm gonna go ahead and rename RENAME. There we go. Let's just go ahead and how in the world does a person rename? There we go. This is gonna be Calamity 2 map. Okay, perfect. And then let's just go and exit that. It's awesome. Most best consistency, I think. You get the best of luck box. Honestly, it does sound kind of cool. Appreciate you, Pixels. That's it. Let's go all the way up here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drag it here. Let's wait for it all to load. Once it's done loading, I'm going to drag this inside my Calamity 2 map. Now that it is in my map, I'm going to go ahead and select it, and I'm going to create a folder inside of a folder. Create a subfolder. My subfolder is going to be called, let's say, name. Wow, they're really going to make me type rename? Okay, rename. Oh, where's the re gone? Guys, this is testing my patience. There we go. Let's go ahead and rename this to something like trees, because I have a lot of trees. Okay, let's go with something like trees. Okay, now I'm gonna go here. Let's select all my trees. That is my map's base. I don't want the base, I want the trees. Therefore, I'm gonna go till my final tree, which is right here. I'm gonna go with shift select. And then let's just go ahead and grab it and paste my tree inside that. Okay, I'm assuming those were all my trees, right? And then I'm gonna add one for my meats. Therefore, I'm gonna go ahead and create a subfolder. What can I just double click and name it? Nope, I cannot. Okay. Because I want it all to be organized. This is gonna be meat. Meats. And yeah, the meats don't have any kind of special abilities or anything. They don't really heal you. They're just for the decoration up here. You guys find it. So we got meats, we got trees, shrine. I can go ahead and create another subfolder called shrines. Let's right click, let's rename RENAME. Why is name the only thing that load up here? This is going to be called shrines. SHRINES. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with shrine. Let's add them in here. And lastly, we got our map base, which is going to basically be map assets, right? Should I go ahead and that's fine. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go with something like a map assets. I just want to keep it organized. RENAME. Okay, let's go with something like map assets. Actually, map base. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna go with something like my map base here. Now, one folder got 3 separate folders. That is perfect. It's absolutely organized. I'm gonna go with Control Shift S to save everything. Everything is saved. Going off of my meds, no, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it. I want to kind of get this higher. Oh wow, that's massive. Every day to taste it, I'm patient. That's perfect. I like the size. That for several ages of bacon, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got. Okay, perfect, not bad. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and select that. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the fixing in a bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that a little bit higher. Wait, you can't decrease the size? Okay, not bad. I think it's fine. Let me just go ahead and grab my second chat up here as well. Okay, yes sir, we got it. Now we're gonna go here to Calamity 2. I'm gonna go with select. Oh wow, you gotta manually select everything. Okay, well fine, I guess that's it. I'm gonna select map base. Firstly, let's open everything. Of course we cannot, because of our freaking details panel down there. Okay, now. I want to get it a little bit lower. Let's go for a map. I wish I could just select my folder and that would select everything, but apparently you gotta select every last thing. Let's get it lower. And then let's push it a bit to the back. And that is our nav mesh bounds. Therefore, I'm gonna go with R. I'm gonna increase the size. Just increase it a little more. And maybe a bit more will not hurt at all. Because I want it to be quite big, to be honest, because the bigger it is, I think the better it's going to be. Okay? And you know what, I think the road here in the center is something that makes it look really, really bad. But well, I think it's fine. Wait, it's... Oh, wow, that's nice. It got to be bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and click R. Let's make it even bigger. Oh, we're making it ginormous. I'm going to go with W. Okay, glad the roads are small here. Okay, my nav mesh bounds needs to be bigger as well. Okay, and let me move around real quick. I move so slow, it's that big. Okay, now who is that? Is that my character or is my character a little lower? That is my character, so I guess it's time that I get this higher. Okay, you know what? I forgot that I can scroll while actually moving. That makes me go faster. Okay, let me go ahead and find my... Alright, where is my controller that I used to get my higher? Right there. I'm gonna get it just a tad bit higher. Okay. Because my character is gonna spawn right in the center. Yeah, that's good, right? Ain't it? Isn't it good? Okay, I think it's good, yeah, because I do kind of fall off and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and click my player character now. While I'm clicking that, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of truncate all of this. I'm gonna shrink that up. I'm gonna go ahead and shrink that up, close that. Oof, okay, that was a lot. Okay, this is my character. Let's say my character is gonna be right in the center of all 3 mentions. I'm gonna go there, and then I'm gonna move in front. There we go. I want to get my character somewhere in the center of the window. Okay, not too in front, not too behind either. Right there. I wish there was like a special tree, like a spawning tree where I could actually spawn, but that's fine. Okay, now let's go with my target points. Okay, now where the hell is my target points? Let's get it higher. Let's get it in front. Let's get it to the left. Let's get it behind. There's my target point. Oh wow, that's too much. Oh god, no. Okay, here's the thing. Before I really add my target point, I gotta do a few things. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go ahead and right click this. I'm gonna go ahead and open it in Blueprints. This is my content browser, I think. Okay, I'm gonna go with something like collision complexity. Set collision complexity as simple, and this is gonna be my shrine 2. Let's go with SHRINE Nice. And then I'm gonna exit it. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my shrine 1. Because I want to add collision complexity for everything here. Okay, let's go with something like collision complexity. This is going to be first options. Use complex collision as simple. Did check the new feature of Claude with Blender? Honestly, I haven't checked the new feature of Claude with Blender. Although I am actually pretty much done with using Blender for making models here. So I don't really know if I will be checking that out this stream or something, but I might do something in the future though. Okay, that's it. Let's go to my last one now. That is my Shrine 3, where I'm gonna go ahead and add a collision complexity here as well. Okay, this is going to be use simple collision as complex. This is going to be something like Shrine 3. Huh? I don't have a Shrine 3? Interesting. Where in the world is my Shrine 3? What is his name? I'm pretty sure his name is wrong, right? Shrine. There we go. Let's rename it. Shrine S. There we go. Now I should be able to see it. Shrine 3. There we go. Then let's exit that as well. Now my shrines are all perfect. However, I do need to add those for my trees as well. Should I though? I have like a lot of trees. Do it one at a time. Maybe. Let's go with collision complexity. I'm just gonna go with something like as simple. I won't be adding the other stuff here. That's fine. What are you creating today? Today I'm actually doing the gray boxing. I'm basically done with all my rigs. I'm basically done with my adding my maps and everything. With collision. So it's pretty much done. I'm just now getting the final touches in, and then hopefully I'm going to be adding music. I'm going to see if I can actually add music. If I could, I'm going to go ahead and add it. Else, I'm just going to go ahead and ship it and get on with the next series. Guys, I just say it so nonchalant. This took 250 days to actually come here. Need to be a bit more hype. So with collision complexity, it's fine. I think I got it. Oh shoot, I forgot the atmosphere isn't mine either, right? Let's zoom in. All spawn in my sentinel. Okay, and I might increase the size just a tad bit. Let's go with R, and we're gonna go nice. Why does it get higher anymore? Okay, because my map is big, so it only makes sense, and it's only fair if I have this big as well. Where in the world is my thing? What? Oh, there. Ooh, that's smart. Let's go with W.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants.
There we go.
Live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby,
I honestly think there's signs of
just wanna stay bad, stay mad, shit on my shoulder, cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that
I'm
stage.
gonna go a little higher.
It's coming all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby,
Guys, this is it looks easy, it's actually pretty hard. I'm trying to keep them aligned to the floor while actually centering it perfectly. Oh well, with Control Shift S, let's save everything. There we go. We're gonna go with our final shrine as well. I should have kept the shrines freaking bigger. These are beauty shrines. Where is my mouse? It's literally kept me center of my screen. What the hell? Let's go with the W. Alright, where is my mesh? There we go.
Born a rock star,
Little back.
gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up.
The hell?
Crazy, I'm mad, do
Control
it.
Z.
Only got one, so you better go live it up.
Okay, and then I'm gonna go with R.
Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Guys, since when did this get so hard? The hell? Okay, and then W. Why are they so far apart? Get closer. Why is that tiny now? Did I not save that? Or maybe I went with the one that I already was done with. Oh no, one more we got.
You could try to play it, but you never
Fine, let's increase the size. Nope.
the way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange.
The biggest mansion of them all.
Put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chest, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. Oh! Could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody
Oh, that is a massive mansion up here.
muddy hands break through the chains, go free.
What is wrong with his roof in that case?
Feet hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep.
Let's get it a bit bigger in the roof.
It's all ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions.
There.
Mind can
Okay, now let's go with something like Control Shift S, save it all.
off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of select that and let's delete it.
People but like sheep move feet.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and close this. I'm gonna go to my target point.
Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. And when they try to change, you can say no, free me.
Spawn from inside my freaking sentinel here. Try. Is it red or can I just not see it?
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough.
Okay, as long as it's approximately inside.
To make a statement, I know there's no turning
The
back.
thing is, it's so hard to even tell if it's approximately.
Adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah,
Alright, not bad. Now let's go to something like number 2.
and now that I'm gone, yeah.
And the world is that being so high.
I'll fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so
What
violent.
is it doing so high?
Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back.
Alright, not bad.
Do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that.
Let's go to number 2.
To make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit.
Then I'm gonna go ahead and add here. Tad bit higher and
And now that I'm gone, yeah,
a bit in front. Okay. Let's go to number 3. Gotta get this lower too. Lower. Oh, I gotta get it lower. Right. Man, that is so annoying to get this thing lower. It's so tedious. Because where's its controls? Its controls are literally like in the other side of the world. Oh, 3, right?
I got a switch in my head. I go from living to dead. You got me seeing all red. Now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said. I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget. So now you have a few deaths. That shit, it needs
There
to
we go. Where's the target point 4?
You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen
Is
so
this the biggest one out of them all? Oh, it is.
the day of reckoning.
I mean, fine, let's have 4 NPCs. This is gonna make it a bit harder. There we go. Let's go with Windows Shift S. Whew, okay, that was actually a lot here. Speaking of a lot, I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go ahead and right click and create another folder called something like target points.
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel. I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks. I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced.
Okay, and then let's go with another one which has my NPCs in it, right? Because all I got right now is my player. Okay, look, we have a nav mesh, we have a player start. Hello, why is my player start right here while my player is somewhere? What? Fine. I'm gonna go ahead and get that there. And let's get that there. Guys, this looks so fake, the grass. When I say fake, I mean god awful fake. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. Shift, and then I'm gonna go with control. I don't want to select my nav mesh. And let's get my players. Yo, okay, wait, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. As long as it goes as planned. That player just needs to approximately start here. There. Okay, next up we have a raycast. Let's raycast. I mean, I know what is a raycast, but you know. Okay, we got a bunch of lightings that I gotta fix. We got trees. I'm gonna close my Kalame maps. We got lighting. We got target points, which is below where it is. I want this to be a bit higher. No, I didn't mean there. Okay, now we got a character. Then we basically just got play start, raycast, world, and this mini map. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go with Control Alt S. Let's run the program and let's test it out. Wow, you guys might not believe it, but I love this. My NPC cannot even kill me. It's so funny. Okay, you know what? That was on me. I forgot all about my nav mesh. It's freaking Peony. Let's go with R and kind of extend it. Alright, how much did I extend it? Extend it a bit more. There we go. Oof, okay, that is a lot. I gotta go to a nice height, a decent amount of height. Then select my nav mesh. What if? Okay, yo, I gotta go higher. When I say higher, I mean like literally higher, so I can see my entire map because it doesn't look like my map is massive. I like leaving it a bit. Okay, I'm just gonna go even higher, because why not? Alright, now it just looks on dot. That is not something that I mean, look, it's not bad that it's on dot, but Movement bounds volume. There, that much should be good actually. I want it to be squished up. Right there. A little bit. Okay. Alright, perfect. Now let's hit Control S. The program. Hey, they're so behind, they can't even find me. Alright, what in the world? That mansion needs to get lower. And these mansions need to get a bit higher. Can they not exit the mansion? Wait, how did this guy exit the mansion? There are so many trees. What is this? What in the world is this? And what's wrong with my camera? Alright, you know what? I spent a lot of time making these shrines. Who cares, right? Let's just get rid of them. Extra commotion with these shrines. Without these shrines, they got a chance of finding me. I can't see squat from that distance. Nice little one. Is he running away from me?
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes
The map is too big, I think.
you fade away.
And I want to increase their chase. Okay, wait, let me just go here and let me say something like...
Yeah, I'm about to fade away.
You know what, let's fix the trigger box first.
It's Monday, something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain.
Project,
All of a
please give me
sudden,
kill
I
zone.
don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts.
Okay, and then let me just paste this in a new chat.
That I'm so inconvenient, okay.
Then
Just
let's send.
be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at
Okay, here are the complete files for Killzone Actor. Okay.
Wanna love me, well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you stick
Oh wow.
maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change.
Two things to check in your existing classes in Arena. A, check in make sure that component is public or protected so Killzone can read it directly. If it's private, add a getter.
Friend, you're not okay.
Here's the thing, I could do it. Do I want to do it?
Why you never said you felt
I mean, you know what?
fake a smile
Go here and say something like,
look away.
before I switch chats,
Hurts
is it possible for you to know how many tokens you have left before I run out of chat conversations, question mark? Okay, let's see. I actually want to get this whole thing. I cannot see that. I have no idea of knowing how many tokens are left in this conversation when the context window shows them. Okay. But here's what I can tell you. This conversation is very long. We have been going on for a while and have covered a lot of code and screenshots. Okay, we're likely getting close to the limit. For recommendations, carry fresh chat for Killzone volume. Fine. Okay, let's see. So, here's the complete files of your Killzone actors. So I gotta go with files. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go to the tools. Okay, it's called Killzone Actor, right? I'm gonna go ahead and create a new actor class. Let's go with next. Killzone. And wait, before I really name my actor, I'm gonna change my configuration. Cam, let's go with properties, configure video. I'm gonna increase some of my gain. Okay, so it's Killzone. Oh god, what was it called? Killzone Volume. Okay, let's go with something like Killzone Volume, I guess. Okay, wait, was it literally named Killzone? Okay, I guess let's just go ahead and add this to our class, because I am in no mood to write anything up here. But it's not like I'm writing this stuff and all that, but I just want to be done with this now. Okay, let's see. I mean, this Killzone is not really an accessory, but I thought that it'd be a pretty fun thing to really add.
Never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong.
Okay, and then let's just scroll down, and then I'm gonna go here to my main chat up here.
Too long, it hurts
Volume header, C++. I'm gonna refresh, I guess.
to cry.
There. Now let's go to the Killzone's header files. Okay. Okay, nice thing is we do still have Pragma. Okay, and then we gotta go to the C++ file to define. Control. Wow, Killzone Volume C++. Some Unicode characters in this file could not be saved in the current code page. Do you want to resave the file as Unicode or to maintain your data? Okay, let me say.
Pull from all that easy to
Good to know. Unicode causes the problem, okay? There, and then let's go with Control S. I am done adding the code. Now what? Let's see, I hope I don't reach my limit here. Now compile it and test it in the exact order. Okay, step 1, Visual Studio compile. I'm gonna compile it through my Visual Studio. I mean through my Unreal Engine or Visual Studio. Open content browser, class C++, skills or phone. Okay, so it said succeeded. Once the build succeeds, switch to Unreal Engine. Click yes. Open content browser, C++ classes, Calamity 2. Drag it into viewport right below your map. Oh god, my map is massive, what the hell? Okay, let's go to content browser. I'm gonna go to C/C++ classes. Kill zone, right? Oh yeah, this has gotta be big. Okay, you know what? I want to increase my speed. My speed is way too slow.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my...
Already mic testing. Alright guys, my OB, actually my PC. Already mic testing. Alright guys, my OB, actually my PC crashed. So I hope I didn't lose my progress because I'm pretty sure I did save everything. But let's go to Unreal Engine Projects, Calamity 2. I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna open this. Let's generate Visual Studio 5 projects. And then I'm gonna run it because I'm pretty sure that I compiled everything, so it all must have saved. Okay, let's go here. I'm gonna delete all the trash while it's opening up, or while it's compiling. And then let's open my chat. Let me get that up here, get that up here, get that up there, post that, zoom in a little. And I'm gonna go there, zoom in a little, get that there. Okay, perfect. And then let's just wait for it to compile. What is this? Player. Is it done? Let's open both Unreal Engine and Visual Studio. And this is gonna open my Unreal Engine configuration, but I'm gonna skip over that. Okay, let's wait for it to open. And I just gotta fix my kill zone and then test it out. Overlap enter with a bunch of question marks. What the hell? Yeah, guys, I did not go over my program here because I wouldn't understand much either. Let's go something like yes. Preparing shaders. Oh god, there's so many shaders here. Lighting and then world map, mini map. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go up here. Firstly, I'm gonna go ahead and move. I want to move a little faster. Then I'm gonna decrease some. I did not save this stuff after deleting. What the hell? Did all those things. Let's hit Control-Shift-S. Okay, making sure. Let's click my nav mesh. Okay, at least my nav mesh covers my entire window, and of course my Discord opens as well. I'm gonna go ahead and exit my Discord. Now let's go ahead and go up. I'm gonna go higher, making sure I can see my entire map. Oh wow, that's too high. Hey, it's not half bad actually. I want to see my map from the side, to be honest. Isn't my bounce covering my entire window, or is it? Is it or is it not? Okay, it looks like it's not. Therefore, I'm gonna go with R, and let's go ahead and increase the size. I'm gonna increase some from here, and some from there. There, I'm gonna decrease some from here, increase some from there. You know what, I think it's better to be safe. I'm gonna increase it from everywhere. No, not that. I don't want to increase that. I wanted to increase my nav mesh bounce volume. There. Let's be honest, who's even gonna go to the very end here? If anyone does go, they're gonna die. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and move a bit higher and then go right. You know what, let's go there. I'm gonna go ahead and add my Oh wow. Let's go with Control Alt F11 to compile. No compilation. Wanna compile? Hello? There we go, finally. Let's wait for those to compile real quick. Okay, I guess it's successfully creating the patch. And then let's go to something like content. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my classes here. I'm gonna add my kill zone. Bounces volume. I'm gonna go picture. Then let's hit R. And let's increase the size by a lot. Yeah, might as well fill the entire freaking map here. And then let's go with W. I want to get myself lower. And I want to just keep getting myself lower, to be honest. Keep going lower.
I got the cash in the bag.
Is that it?
Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.
I'm high up. I'm high up.
Up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.
Control Shift S.
Stadium
Let's
pack.
run the code.
Baby, I'm bad.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't
Okay,
gonna
let's see.
that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being
Alright, why am I not? Oh, there we go. We're losing.
this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Place the pain,
Okay, instead of I want to lose, let's say
better name society.
30% of my max HP per second.
Stadium pack, born a rock star.
Okay, let me say something like
Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up.
say it works, but is it possible to lose 30% instead of 10? Because yeah, 30%. Come on, let's be honest, that's much better. Okay, the guy dropped off. 10%. Okay, we're gonna find our damage friction. Oh wait, never mind. I don't even need to go to Unreal Engine. I don't even need to go to Visual Studio. I can do that with Unreal Engine. I'm gonna go ahead and click my this thing. Let's go to the details panel. I'm gonna double click it. Details panel.
I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take
Okay, I'm like this.
cash in the bag, stadium pack. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
Fine. No, wait, not that.
Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.
Okay, let's find kill friction.
I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
There we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this a little bit lower as well. Might as well. There we go. Now let's find kill friction or damage friction. Or do I need to open it in blueprints? Okay, find kill zones is damage friction. Which component? Oh god, it's so hard to see. There we go. Wait, can I just move the details panel somewhere up there? No? It needs to be here. In there. Yes, it's fine. I'll just leave it here. Outliner can fit out. Then I'm gonna get that there. Wait, why in the world is my outliner all the way? You know what?
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody
Okay, so
People who deceive me, muddy ends break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train.
See why I can see
To a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. Your check is I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no
Finally,
is a weapon.
kill zone. Okay. From my kill zone, I'm gonna find damage friction.
The other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the
Finally, that is gonna be 0.3.
chains go free me. People like sheep
Hey, now let's just go ahead and compile.
don't
I'm
wanna
gonna go ahead and run and fall off my map real quick.
be all ready for a fight, believe.
At least there was a sprint now, but it's better if there is no sprint.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them.
Okay, there we go.
Life is a chase, I don't wanna
Much better.
be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and
Nice.
mind can take you so
Okay, although one more thing that I'm gonna do is double click this.
off from a break off from the weak.
Then I'm gonna hit R.
Change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life.
Increase it from here.
Could try to play
Increase the length.
me, look the other way.
And I'm gonna go back here and I want to do that. In case they kind of move out, I want those to be as big as possible
Go free,
or as wide as possible.
feet hurt it easy.
Not long though, this is the length is fine. Go to this.
Stand tall,
There we go, okay, it works, it works. Now, what's something else that I need? Let's think.
no free me.
We run the program, let's try fighting. Okay, I want to increase the range of my NPCs. Okay, let me just go ahead and say something like, now can I increase the range of my NPCs? Like, my map is big, so they have a hard time
Stay tuned.
finding me. I want to increase their radar.
Needs change.
Do you need any of my existing code? Question mark. Okay, let's go to Unreal Engine. Control Alt L. I'm gonna go with Shift S. These are my classes.
Just to make a stand.
Okay, let's go ahead and set that. Paste it here and say nice to a pick of all classes that I have.
No, there's no turning.
Okay, and then let's send it real quick.
I'll do what it takes. I ain't making mistakes like that.
Just please share the code on your Solution Explorer. I can see AI Arena controller is the most likely where it is. Okay, so AI controller, right?
When I'm mad.
AI controller header files in C++. PC contents. Okay, so controller. AI controllers is header files. Okay, control C. AI controller
Yeah, I know there's no turning.
.h file.
Take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you.
AI controller .cpp file.
Yo, the dude, crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me.
Okay, and then let's go with something like
We become
enemy npc.h file. Enemy npc.cpp file. I mean, I wasn't asked for C++, but since I sent the header, might as well send the C++, and then let's go ahead and send the whole thing. Oh god, that was a huge code. Your AI is purely distance-based, no perception component. Do you fix? Is one thing, aggro value, the AI controller, etc. to that. Change the aggro value to 4000. Okay, so in my AI controller's header files.
and now that I'm gone
Aggro.
back. And now that
Okay, then let's go with Control S. 1000 current quite short, medium, large. They see almost anywhere. Okay, a large open area. Let's go with Control Alt F11 real quick. While this is compiling, I'm gonna go ahead and get that back. There. I wanna have like a full Okay, let's look at my full experience of this map now. Okay, there we go, it's done. Oh wow, they're coming to me from all directions, what the hell?
I got a switch in my head. I go from living to dead. You got me seeing all red. Now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said. I'll make you.
Okay, let's heal. Da-da-da. Let's go ahead and tag them. Guys, the map looks so big for them.
Blood is some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've
Wait, why did my NPC just die without my
deafening fear.
skill showing? Hold up, let me just go to my blueprints. And then I'm gonna go ahead and double click my enemy NPC. Let's go with montage. Wow. Attack montage. PM Noah. Attack and Noah needs a dead.
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel in
Alright, why didn't that part save then?
I'm ready to be a rebel. I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so
There
exponential.
we go. Okay, I just wanted them to have the back and dead animation.
I don't play no gimmicks. I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
Do I want to increase their height just a little bit, or should I decrease some of the trees out here? I think I could decrease some of the trees, right? I'm gonna go with something like that. Okay, people from that far, they're having a hard time finding me. Ever if I go there, if I get like a little bit closer to them. You know what? 4,000 aggro range is not half bad. Let me just try killing them all real quick, so fast as well. Yeah, I got them. Now where's the third one? Oh, he's all the way there. You just gotta run a little so they start coming off. You know what? I think this aggro range is nice. I don't want everyone to just come in front of me at the very start. Let's go with attack. Who would have known? Defense is the way to go rather than attack in this game. Who could have guessed? Oh god, everyone is coming close to me. Okay, you know what? I think the trick here is to stay in one side, then go to the other side. What? I'm trying to kill them as fast as I can. Then there were 3. Oh, they're right at my back. Oh, they're right behind me. You know what? I want to kind of get the camera above me rather than at the very edge. Then let's just attack that. Oh my gosh, there's no way. Okay, I actually got them. No, wait, I'm gonna follow the map, right? Am I? It's an attack, I don't care. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and fight this. Just attack and kill them real quick, because the faster you kill them, the faster it finishes. Hey, you know what? Actually, either get a lot of defense or get a lot of attack. Then just keep walking until you don't find somebody. Oh, there we go. We got another herd up here. I can see Squatman actually fighting them. You know what? Either only attack or only defense is pretty good. At a point, you guys are just basically gonna one-shot them all. I don't want that to happen though. Oh, trust me, it's gonna be very hard for that to happen. The way they horde up here, it's gonna freaking gang up on you. Unless you're like a rat flex or one to play. Okay, I'm gonna go with quit. Nice, it works. I'm gonna go with adventure. Here's the thing. I wanna fix my camera. My camera could possibly go higher and go back. I want it to be diagonal, I guess. How do professionals actually have their camera set? Okay, let's go with R. I'm gonna increase some of that, and then I'm gonna decrease some of that. There we go. Now I can go ahead and hit E. Camera, let's see. Bring arm, fine. Okay, I just want my camera and then I'm gonna go ahead and... Okay, let's just go to my regular camera and then we're gonna hit E like that. There. Okay, so in my camera, I want to know where is my actual camera. It's right there, therefore I'm gonna go down. And I'm gonna go in front. And I'm gonna go a bit to the left. I'm gonna go back. Now I'm gonna go to my actual spring arm and let's get both of them high up. Can't see squat because of this here. Okay, let's extend that. I'm gonna get that in front. I'm gonna get that higher. I'm using that. Then I'm gonna go back, left. Did I actually go lower so I can actually use my character? I want them to be together. There, now here's the thing. Am I wanting it to be third person or first person?
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Okay.
You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
I'm gonna get it there.
but I've known you too
Gonna get it there.
to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Okay, this is what my character sees. And then I'm gonna
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up, I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden,
There we go.
anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so
Okay, let's try this out.
okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look.
Oh wow, that's actually perfect there.
I never really asked you.
Look all the way up there and then I can go there.
Wanna love me? Well then baby, I have a taste. All the highs and
Oh wow,
you'll never be.
that's first person and third person.
You, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay.
Why can't I see them though?
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never say.
Oh, they're stuck to me.
Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until.
Okay, I guess first person ain't the way to do it.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you
Here's the
fade.
thing now. Since I want to fix my first person, I'm gonna go up here. Wow, I'm so fast.
You fade away.
There we go. Since you still want to fix my first person, I'm gonna do something a bit more. You know what? Let's go a bit back. Different. When I say different, I don't mean too much in front. So I look there, and then I go higher. No? Okay, being too back is still bad. I want to be more in front.
Like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I can far more worthless. Baby,
Okay, I guess I'm gonna go there. Let's do this.
I have purpose.
Oh god, this is so... You know, let's decrease some of my speed. I'm walking way too fast out here.
Okay. And tell me what's wrong and
Then I'm gonna go there.
said you felt that way.
I guess
You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile
Go lower.
look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
How's that?
As you fade away.
Okay. Can I still see the NPCs. They come close to me.
You fade away.
They look freaking puny from my point of view. Well, I guess in that case, I'm gonna go ahead and go with plan B. Let's get my camera a little bit lower.
I know you
Right there.
told your friend you're not.
Yeah, let's try that.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong
Uh-oh, maybe I gotta get it a bit different.
until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
I don't know why I'm still attacking him. Let's fix something real quick. Can get this a bit back, therefore I'm gonna get this a bit in front. Let's select my camera. There. Hey wait, what if I get this in front of my character and not behind my character? Well, not there. There. And now let's run it. So I'm in front. Okay, in front and behind. In front and back. How is that? Guys, it's so hard to move my camera because of the lag here. What if I go there? I hope that doesn't really slow it down. Okay. When I'm like that, wait, they look really, really high from up here. It's hard to control the camera from here. Let's think. Do you guys know of a good camera position? I cannot think of one. Okay, so which can be a good camera position? Maybe up in my head. 'Cause I've seen people have camera up in their head. But in the head, it looks like my NPCs are tiny. They look really, really puny. Compared to my players, my NPC is big, but compared to the camera, it's a not. What if I go there and then I go with R and I decrease the size?
Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster.
Then E, okay, maybe I'm gonna select this.
Think you're something out of my life.
Okay, let's go with that. Then I'm just gonna go with this. Then let's go with R.
Lay down and I play dead. Then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the
I think lower is actually the trick, so I can actually look the whole entire map this way.
You don't ever wanna set me
And
free
then when I'm zoomed in,
to you. And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a
okay, so there's
text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and
we're the same size, but my camera is freaking lower, so they look massive.
I'm straight out of my head under
Okay, now they look a little bit small.
something out of
That's 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2. I think this should be max actually.
play dead and I stay dead. Then will you get bored of killing?
Okay, then I can.
Will you regret everything
I
that you
think that should be max.
said? I don't think you understand what you're doing. And my heart's back and
I'm in my legs.
I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing.
Because I can look 360 if I
Confusing.
get in front.
Is it me? Am I deluded?
Okay.
I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's
What
stupid.
if I was a bit higher in that?
Never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded.
There.
It's if you were like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
Hey, I mean, is that bad?
And a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Okay. I think I'm trying to control it from every single position here.
Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're
Alright, that is a bad place. Okay, let's go to the next section, I guess, which is gonna be our renaissance. So I'm gonna go to my legs.
then will you get,
Definition of having your. Okay, my camera is in my legs. If I zoom in,
then will you get
still, okay, my core is still so far the winner out here.
then will you get back again?
Hey, you know what? I think I'm gonna have it on my core.
Then will you get back?
Let's get the camera in my apps. Actually, let's keep it here. Let's run it. Hey, you know what? This way you can even see if they're coming behind you, and you can stay like in third person, and you can like zoom in a little bit. But if you want, you can zoom in a bit more. And I wouldn't know why would you possibly go all the way though. Like this flow is also still good. Like you can, it still makes a little sense. Okay, actually I want to escape and I want to try that again. Try it again. Okay, should I increase the size of my NPCs or maybe decrease the size of my camera? I want to decrease the size of my freaking camera, which I cannot. Let's go with the actual camera component. And I'm gonna go with R. There. Let's get it smaller. What the hell? Why skeletal mesh? Okay, here's the thing. Is small camera it? Doesn't really do the trick? I'm gonna get in front. Once I see they're still stuck, I'm gonna control my spring arm now and let's get my spring arm back. Weren't they small? Didn't I just truncate my camera by like a bajillion? Okay, I just want to just go with one and let's just go with one and then I'm gonna click R. R.
Welcome to my party. We're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink, cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a
Okay, let's try this.
me when I'm falling. Cover up my skull
I'm here and then let's just increase it.
in my car. Wake up in a
See if I can get myself a little bit higher, I guess.
avatar. This world is so bizarre. Empty out the reservoir.
Let's escape and then I'm gonna go back up here.
Shots,
Let's go to my camera.
get lost. I'm sick of this.
Get myself a stack.
Stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm
Let's just be behind and now let's run.
I think I'm
Okay, and then here. Okay, this feels like I'm under an ocean now.
see shots
What
off
the hell?
to the face. I'm taking six
Okay, let me just go back up here. I'm gonna move on to my
shots to the face. And
I guess I'm gonna go a bit more higher.
I'm taking six shots till I'm feeling okay.
Higher.
I think I'm
Back.
crazy. Don't think
Higher.
I'm say.
There.
Shots off straight to.
Let's run it and then I'm gonna go here. Okay, nice. There we go. I can finally see my legs.
Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get
Okay, and then let's go there. and
screwed.
then- Okay, there. If I'm if I'm completely zoomed in,
Will never make you feel enough.
I want to do that when I'm completely zoomed in.
Heart full of calluses, but we know calculus.
Especially when-
Damn, ain't that fabulous?
Okay, I can see my legs when I just directly move this farm, so maybe I want to go ahead and get my higher.
That's enough, I'm about to pop up. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to.
Because I want my enemies to be able to see me as well.
What I want to.
I mean, I want to be able to see my enemies as well. Okay, I guess. Double click.
This place don't know how to stop.
We're gonna go to camera.
So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going.
Where in the world is my player?
I'll get on set.
Maybe not camera, I meant spring arm.
All straight.
The camera too low.
Shots, are you coming with?
Then let's go with spring arm.
Shots, yeah, straight to the face. Get lost.
There.
In this place, don't know how to
Then let's run it.
space. So I'm
Hey, I see my line. I see my head here just a little if I'm up here.
going crazy. Don't
Go there. Okay, I see my hair a little, so I want to go a bit in front.
straight to the face.
Guys, who would have thought working with the camera is going to be this hard? There. 'Cause I did not want to be able to see my hands. There we go. 'Cause I wanted to look. Oh wow, that is too low. Then let's go 1 higher. Let's go 2 higher. 3 higher. I can see my hair. I want to get a bit more in front. I don't want to be able to see my hair at all.
One and I always get
And let's go with camera. But here's the thing, you guys can always adjust
like
this.
it's nothing. I'm always
I
there
wanna just
for granted.
keep it adjusted when the program is on.
Look at the
And
enemy.
if I go down, there we go.
Where it appears
And we go with 1.
it's not working
I
out.
wanna see how many zooms.
Mystery, it's time to break up so I can make
Oh wait, that was not me.
believe.
Oh wow, wait, this is actually perfect because so the number of zooms. So wait, let me just go to the.
All
There
it
we go.
takes is some
3
time
go.
and some
So
clarity.
that is zoom number 0, where I can't see anything, and then let's go to zoom number 1. I wouldn't recommend zoom number 1 either. Oh wow. What about zoom? Okay, I would definitely. Okay, zoom number 2 it is. Okay, zoom number 2 only. Oh wait, this camera is actually pretty good. Hold on.
Yes, I'm immortal.
Nah. Wait, not zoom number 2. Not zoom number 2.
Yes, I'm immortal.
Okay, let's run. So this is the original zoom 1. This may be good. Okay, that's 1. That's 2. Okay, 2 you can look higher, lower. 3 is a wider range. Number 4 you can go. This is the max. That is the max. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 you can go there. That is the max. 12 is max. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
No, I'm never turning
11,
back.
12.
Won't stop, I'ma
So
fight.
going down, it doesn't. I wouldn't recommend going all the way down, but I think this is like.
Cause I've been
But if
holding back. You
I still see my hair. If you guys are fighting in that, might as well either stay
don't way you got
in original zoom. I think this is the original zoom, right?
all these looking
Yeah, that is the original zoom. So I would recommend
attacks.
fighting in this zoom, okay, which is basically 1, 2.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When
Okay, so third zoom. Alright, so I mean, I guess second zoom. I mean, third zoom is pretty good as well. Alright, depends on if you guys move. If you guys move, I would definitely recommend this zoom. But if you guys want, you guys can play it in this zoom. This is the first person zoom, basically. And then there's 1 and a 2. 1. Okay, so I want to go with 2 zooms lower than this. So I'm gonna go to my zoom function. Okay. Give me my enemy NPCs. Is header files before that? Hold up. I'm gonna go with Control Shift S. This is the zoom that I actually like. And then I'm gonna go to my header files, enemy NPCs, C++ file, actually player character, I mean. And then zoom. This is target armor. Good. I wanna have 2 zooms lower than I currently have. Enemy edge. Okay, wait, let me just copy this real quick.
how the hell you doing? I've been just fine.
Okay, then let me just paste it here. Let me paste it and see if something makes sense. Hey, I currently zoom, but is it possible to limit my zoom to -2 of whatever it is set to right now, question mark, because I want to have two zooms lower. Like if I can zoom in 16 times, I want it to be 14. And 16 was an okay, let's end it. Because yeah, I think two lesser zooms and then we wouldn't have the problem of completely being zoomed in and the third person would seem more like a first person. Let's see. Let's say we can C++ use zoom, spring on component. I need to check your header files as well. Okay, header files. Let's send it. Okay, and once I'm done with this, that's pretty much it. I guess we're going to be working with music next, and that's almost it. Perfect, you can see the setup here. So if you want these zooms, for example, 1900, snapping between 200 and other files. Find and replace these two lines with that line. My header files, I gotta find. Make sure those things are in my constructor, right? Min arm length, max arm length. Okay, close and far. And then in C++ file, find your entire zoom function. Replace it with this. And then I'm gonna control 12. Then let's go to C++, find my entire zoom function. That is perfect jump, zoom. Then let's hit Control S, I'm gonna go here. Go with Control Alt F11. Okay, this should hopefully fix my zoom here. And we spawn in third person. And then let's just go ahead and exclude that. This gives me more like, oh god, I ran into a crash, frick. Control A, Control C, let's paste this. Control A, Control V. I ran into this crash. I mean, that's fine if I ran into a crash, I can go ahead and okay,
make a move, I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regret.
Cloud is still thinking, what up guys? Would have shown it to you guys. The crash had nothing to do with zoom, it's a C or E class default object. It's most likely because the culprit is Arena game or my Arena characters are the header files. I mean, I don't see a reason, but it worked without it, okay? I don't think I know that. But I have my game mode. Oh, did the crash happen immediately after the zoom change or did it happen before? After the change. Although it filed successfully. I may know. I might know why did the crash happen and how to like avoid it. Since it happened after min arm length, adding the new variable. Okay, the quickest fix in Arena C++, find your constructor, add this line to set spring arm. Okay, let me just go to my header file. Can I paste that and say this is my .cpp file right now? And then let's send it.
So you can't see, knew it from the start. You had problems with me and the things I could be. I just wish I
You said C++. I need header to see the current version. Okay, I guess let's go header.
turn that to gains, let my money show.
There.
I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into some.
Okay, looks perfect. All variables are gone. And then we like game mode. The fix delete this line. Okay, the culprit is your header files. So when it is directly with almost certainly into something, the back. Okay, dependency and COD, system chokes. Fix remove the Arena game mode, okay? Wait, if I remove this. I do need game mode for something, right? So your forward declaration should look like this. Alright, here's the thing. Does this have Arena game mode here? That's not how it works. You know what? I think I'll just scrap whatever Claude sent me. Rather, I'm just gonna go ahead and exit this. I'm gonna right click and let's just go ahead and firstly delete my intermediate, delete my derived cache, delete my binaries. Let's right click, let's show more options and generate Visual Studio file projects. Okay, there's still live stream. It's so much great efforts, love. I'm sorry if that was okay. Honestly, it was pretty good. Sounds pretty cool, honestly. Let's see. Let's just go ahead and wait for this to compile real quick. Once it's done compiling and get my intermediate, I'm gonna go ahead and open my header files. The following modules. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add this. And yeah, I know that crash was just a silly crash. It's not really gonna happen again, honestly. I just simply asked it to be safe because I've gotten those kind of crashes so many times. Basically, because Unreal Engine just quote unquote chokes. Oh God, what is wrong with my camera? Guys, let me know once my webcam is like way too dull. I can go ahead and just increase my configuration, my exposure. Much better. Okay, now much better. This makes it so much laggier. That is pretty good. It's not as laggy. What I may need could be my white light balance to decrease. Why did we just right? You know what? Never mind. I think it's not. I think I want this one. There we go. Now with this, let's decrease our white light balance and that should fix everything. Why? Okay. There we go. Okay, that should be good. Maybe I might decrease my white light balance just a tad bit more. That's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Alright, what's wrong with my freaking zoom? I can't zoom as much as I wanna. But they're always possible. Okay, let me say I just had to generate Visual Studio file projects and delete my binary, intermediate, and cache. Now it works. However, I zoom in very less now. I want to increase my zoom in just a tad bit. Okay, let's fix my zooming in just a tad bit. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. Fake zoom level. Go to your player character and viewport. Details this panel. Okay. I can just go ahead and select it from here, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and use lighting there. Okay, and then now this is my character. I'll go to camera. Okay, camera. And then find zoom level. Zoom level. Close. I don't see a zoom level close. Let's just go with zoom. I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. Okay, so I'm gonna only select my camera. Self first, and then I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. I don't see zoom level. Okay. Oh wait, I see camera here. But there is no zoom level. Quick reference 1900 current, a bit closer, not close, quite close. Okay, just keep lowering it until it feels right. I see a zoom level close in my details panel. Okay, and then let's just go ahead and send it. That's because current zoom index is not a U property in Unreal Engine. Won't be able to see it. Tools, generate Visual Studio file projects. Okay, well I guess Control Alt F11. Let's see. I'm positive that I did do it, but results succeeded. Okay. Let's just go to my character. And I'm gonna go to zoom. I still don't see it. Maybe let's open this. Okay, if it's not their zoom level, change it to this. Arena. I could change it to U property. I actually want to change it to U property actually. Arenas is header files. So I'm gonna go to something like character. This is header files. I'm gonna delete my religion. Not delete, remove, my bad. Zoom index, there we go. I'm gonna go with the U property. The camera I'm gonna control S. Let's go with Control Alt F11. Now I should magically see the zoom here. I mean, I could change it from C++ too. That's more precise, but either is fine. There we go. We can magically see it. I made it a U property. Now I see it. It's at 1900. Okay, I guess let's change it a little. I'm gonna go ahead and decrease it to something like 1500. Then let's run. Oh no, I hit a crash, frick. I got this crash. Oh god. I keep hitting crashes. Oh wait, shoot. I got that crash. I know how to get rid of this crash. It's so tedious that I got it again. Well, delete binaries, and I'm gonna delete my intermediate. I'm gonna right click, let's this thing. Same crash as before. This time zoom level is not the root cause. Okay, can you paste your header files? I want to confirm, include this, forward declaration. That's fine, I know Claude. Okay, this is the part where Claude is actually saying something wrong up here. Okay. Because if it compiles correctly, the reason it actually gives me a crash is because I did not generate my Visual Studio file project. So my project is getting pretty big. But this one generation is not even compulsory, but I guess I'll keep it. Okay, let's wait for it to be done building, because once this is done, I'm pretty much done with the entire game. All I need to be adding later on is technically just music, and I'm going to be done. Okay, but I don't know how to add music. Maybe I'm going to have my next stream working with only music, to be honest. Let's wait for it to start building. It's taking a while to build. God damn. Oh, there we go. Okay. We get our derived data cache as well. We have our intermediate, binary, and derived data cache. Perfect. Okay, now this shouldn't lag. Let's go ahead and get all our assets up here. Fingers crossed, I'm gonna run the program. Let's see if it runs. 1, 2. I can't zoom much at all. Okay, let's go to zoom. Let's go to camera. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom. Control Alt F11. Let's compile. Let's see it. Do I see my U property here? Honestly, if push does come to shove, I could maybe do it from here manually. But the thing is, why would I do it manually? Like, why bother if it can happen automatically? I should be seeing a zoom here, but I do not see a zoom here. Doesn't have a zoom. Hey, did I not generate my Visual Studio file projects like literally right now? Set to 1500. I'm gonna go with Control S. Let's go with something like Control Alt F11. Let's wait for it to compile. Shouldn't take that long. Nice. Now that there was something to compile, if I were to go ahead and type zoom. Where in the actual world is my zoom? There we go, fine. 1500, I see. Okay, let's just check this up real quick. Slightly closer, noticeably closer, so 1200. I'm just gonna change it to C++. Again, 1000 is significantly closer. Cause header files, I don't really trust changing it while live coding. It's like if I close my Unreal Engine and then do it, that makes sense. But this is fun.
I got the cash in the bag.
Safer alternative, and it changes both sides.
In this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only
Why is it pulling me just...
live it up, cash in the bag. Stadium packed. Baby, I'm
It
bad.
said that's noticeably closer, right? What if I change this
Wanna
to
stay
900?
bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits coming.
Why do I have it in my header files here? I can just, in my Unreal Engine, I can just
Gonna
speak it
help
from
me,
here.
ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone
That is significantly closer.
taste the pain. It's like candy canes.
Okay, wait, let me check.
Frame into a
I
bed.
think I fixed the editor.
Yeah.
However, I want to get closer in segments, like when I scroll down, it just changes my zoom to that position. There is no transition like a smooth going down. And if I scroll down once, I want to go down a little. And if I do it again a bit more, until I don't hit my max limit. Did that make any sense? Question mark. Yeah, I hope I don't run out of tokens here. Guys, I had a bajillion typos. Does that make perfect sense? You want smooth scrolling back and front, remove your close. Oh wow. Replace it with this. Oh, okay, I guess. So max arm length, and then max this thing, zooms. Yeah.
Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only got
Okay, so we have the extra step here now.
in the
And
bag.
then the zoom function, replace the entire function with this. Hell, that's a tiny function. Okay, and then let's go to C++ file. I'm gonna go to my zoom function, which should be all the way down here, right? Oh, that's a tiny function. Up here, let's go with Control Alt F11. Let's compile the code real quick. Props can't go any closer. 1200. Okay, and then let's run it. Watch another freaking crash. I hate these crashes. Oh my gosh. These crashes happen because the program is really big now. And you gotta manually compile it through Visual Studio and not Unreal Engine. Let's wait for it to generate my Visual Studio 5 projects. There we go.
You could try to play
Double click to open.
me. Look
For this, I'm gonna go ahead and click yes. That's a good sign when they ask to rebuild all the modules.
the people who deceive me.
Means that you don't gotta manually build them, they're gonna build it for you.
Free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. And Expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a
There we go. Okay, never mind. I thought it just opened. I was like, oh wow, Unreal Engine finally opened so quick.
attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. Oh!
Could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me.
What if I say show log?
What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained
So
from
1 out of 61. There we go.
hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, heard it easy.
Yeah, it's processing to every last file.
Scheming, better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me.
Okay, perfect. Bill succeeded. Now the Unreal Engine is actually opening.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is
Okay,
a
let's say yes.
I wanna be first, work till it hurts, dehydrated.
And now I'm gonna scroll all the way down here till I don't find my actual character.
It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You
Double click.
create thoughts, never waste time. You got one
And
shot
then let's go with zoom.
off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no
Zoom step is 100.
free thoughts.
Could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't
Okay, that's not bad actually. That is a pretty good step now. However, I want to go ahead and change something. My minute length is gonna be 800.f. I'm gonna control F.
fast asleep when they sleep.
Control Alt F11.
All ready for a fight, believe me. And when they try to change, you can say no, free me.
I forgot to show you guys my compiling screen here. Then let's run it.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
Okay, let's decrease it a bit more, maybe like 500, I guess.
You see things real.
Yeah, when I said 500, I meant 400 because I wanted to be like lower than the low.
Got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up.
And here's the thing, I should actually back up my entire project here. I just realized that,
Just to make a statement.
including all my meshes and their names.
Oh God, it
Let's run it.
wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no
Jeez, I think that's good because I want to be able to like see my legs from here and also go back. Not too back, I'm going to decrease them, but you know, I think this is good, right? Because I see them from very close, I can go in. Trees, there we go. And now trees don't even get in my way from here. Let me just check. Oh wow.
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Okay, if I hitch. I'm getting shelter under this tree. Or do I just freaking pass by it? Oh wait, don't say me trees don't got any collision complexity, do they?
Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood.
Wow, trees don't got collision complexity. Does this have any collision complexity? Oh, it does.
Rivalry becomes a dynasty.
Okay, you know what? I think this is good. Like, maybe pretty low height. Okay, that's actually pretty good low height.
Oh God, adrenaline waste.
Just ignore some of the bald spots that I've got here. I can see them freaking.
I'll do what it takes. I ain't making mistakes like that.
Again, if I go back, I don't know who would possibly want to go this back. Maybe they would to like see the NPCs or like where they make.
Lose my shit, I go crazy.
But yeah, that's pretty good with the camera. I mean, that's pretty much good for the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that back there. Here, let's see this. Yeah, let me see something like. Yeah.
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Okay, now wait, hold up. When I say perfect, I want to just go ahead and grab this here, exit this. I'm gonna go ahead and get my clouds chat here. Okay, glad it works. I'm gonna get the old chat there. Okay, what are we building next for Calamity 2? I am actually done with everything. However, I am planning to add sound effects. It's hard to add them, and what sounds should I have? MP3, wave, etc. Question mark.
Becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said.
Okay, not hard at all. Unreal Engine makes all you pretty straightforward. Every single thing it knows. Okay, always use WAV for Unreal Engine is the only format. Ensure this thing. Okay, when you import a wave from Unreal Engine, it converts it to its own internal sound wave asset. Okay, basic sounds you should have. So footsteps, walking, running, attacking, swinging. Okay, death. Okay, how is that hard? There are two levels: easy, blueprint, no C++ needed, drag a sound onto an event in your character. Okay, medium, C++, add new audio component or use gameplay statistics.
Angel and devil, he stabs me straight in the
About 3 lines of code per sound.
potential. Hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit.
Okay, let me say I have not made any sounds yet, but I will work on it next week. However, I had one more question. Is it possible to make my player or NPC read for 0.5 seconds after they were hit? Question mark. Because when they are hit, I want to see them read for 0.5 seconds. Okay, and then let's see. I'm gonna check if my... Okay, there we go. I thought that my blue light filter is on. Yes, totally doable. It's called hit flash here. Okay, set material 0.seconds. Okay, what you need for it: is your player character using blueprint like DP_character or placed as a pure C++ actor in the level? Same question for NPC. Okay, let me say both my player and NPC have C++, have blueprints. However, all the logic was done on C++. Then let's send it. Perfect. Since logic is in C++, you have blueprints. Okay, they'll do the flash completely in C++. Does your character sign PC mesh use one material or lots of multiple? I think it's multiple actually, right? Okay, that's great work. I'm happy. Let's go. Okay, let's see. How many slots? How to count question mark, because I am pretty sure they use multiple, since when I exported it from Blender, I did not merge everything together. I left everything as separate meshes. Let's see. Okay, here's exactly how to check. Open DP_character, click the mesh, open in the components panel, look at the detail. Okay, here, armor. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna get it in the other window so I can actually refer to it. Okay, let's go here. So, place C++. Okay, so click the mesh. So I'm gonna open full and blueprint. Let's go to something like viewport, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click mesh. Okay, scroll down to materials. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 7. NPC got 7. I was listening to your stream, sorry. Okay, that's it. Let's just go here, and now let's go ahead and add another blueprint for my player. I'm gonna go to viewport. Let's go to something like mesh. Oh wow, I don't really have a mesh here, to be honest. My mesh is going to be here. Let's see, so I'm gonna go there. Okay, so how many materials do I have? got 6 materials. Okay, so my NPC got 7 materials and my player got, my Hannah's mesh got 6 materials. Perfect, I can see them clearly. Enemy 8 materials, 7 slots, 0 to 7. Oh wow, so it's 0 indexed in here as well. Oh, it is 0 indexed. Okay, now everything I need. Here's the complete thing. So character header files, hit flash. Wait, arena characters is header files. Hold on a minute. Let me see what my header files look like. Okay, so add these inside the public section. Okay, and then I'm going to control us. And then arena character C++ file. We define them. Okay, then in existing receive damage function, add this one line. Add this line, play hit flash. Oh, I see. Then receive damage. Okay, let's find the receive damage function. Get to world manager.
Never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
Then control S. Then we have a UE log. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and add something in the public data members of my NPCs header files. NPCs as header files is public data members. Right, sure. Okay, Nova Mesh, I'm pretty sure. Oh, okay, I thought it was half mesh for a sec. Never mind. Okay, let's do that, and then add these two functions, same at the bottom.
Chemicals up in my brain, all of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up a
Okay, and then receive damage, add this one line.
sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me?
There we go. Okay, and one thing, the red flash works by setting color on a dynamic material. If your materials don't have a base color parameter exposed to the mesh, it turns black instead of red. If that happens, let me know, I'll show you, okay? I guess I'm gonna go to something like here, and then let's go to, firstly, I wanna save everything.
You will choose.
Did all of that, and then I'm gonna go behind here.
I know you told
Okay, all saved, nice. Control Alt F11, let's compile our program.
me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're
I have a small little error.
fake a smile until I look away.
Oh wow, a massive error.
You too long, it hurts to
Let's
watch
go here, and then I'm gonna go there.
as you
Let's
fade.
paste it and say, I got this error. Oops, didn't want to say it in caps. I got this error. Then let's send it. The two separate HTML exposed. First one private, so functions accidentally move to private. So private. So when you add the private blocks, wait, did I in my header files are they? Oh, wait a minute.
I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but
Interesting.
like nothing I felt. My mind over.
When you added the private block for a hit flash variable, it pushed is dead, receive damage, physical attack montage, and an
Baby, you make me feel nervous. If
it sorta did actually.
it's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Okay, with that,
Stay strong and fake a smile
those
until I look away.
are publicized data members, and these are
To watch your blue eyes fade,
that's private. Control us.
fade away.
Okay, variable name mesh conflicts with character mesh. Both okay, and then mesh in both character C++. Rename every local variable called mesh to character mesh. so in my C++ file, so let's go to my arena character file.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Okay, so in that, I'm gonna go with
Never said you felt that way.
use skeletal mesh component.
Strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
Char mesh. Oh, we gotta change every last instance. Oh god, that's gonna be tedious. And less tedious, more error prone. There we go, Control S, Control S. Okay, apply, rename in C++ as well. USKELETR. Alright, where else is my, what the hell? There we go, this is going to be char mesh. Okay, and then let's go with Control S. Well, apparently it should fix now. Let's go with Control Alt F11 to compile. Data members are public as well. Small errors.
There lies the lion in the dark. Full from all that he's eaten. Heart content on feet
Errors also has mesh, char mesh.
from the motherland.
Okay, I mean the error is quite small if I got this. Okay, let me paste this and say the error is much smaller, but I got this now. Hope I don't reach my limit soon. Good progress, only 2 errors left. You missed renaming mesh to char mesh, arena C++ file. Change this to that. I did change though. Wait, I did not change though. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. C++.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
Oh.
Like cats and a string.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
The pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil fruit. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of
Okay, I kinda know where it is now.
heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better.
There we go. Let's see. Let's see.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,
What are so far? There we go. No conflicts, I guess.
monster out of my head, under my bed.
Watch it gives me a damn error or a damn crash reporter once I run it. What did I tell you guys? No. Okay, the reason I got a crash reporter is pretty tedious, but it's not as bad as it looks like.
So if
I'm gonna delete my derived, I'm gonna delete my binaries, I'm gonna delete my intermediate, I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna do more, I'm gonna generate Visual Studio File project. This is the actual way to do it rather than live coding.
when I'm with you, I'm losing. I feel
Editing works as well, to be honest.
losing. Sitting there, gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded?
That fast?
The one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the
A
solutions.
good sign.
Wish you love me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid.
Okay, let's start building.
By Cupid, I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. silhouette.
Okay, let's see if it's being done. I mean, let's just see our log too, might as well.
With you, I don't ever feel
1 out of 41. It's gonna take a hot minute because there are a lot of files.
Play with me like
Line 328, line 173.
don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.
400 and what? Oh, 61. There we go. It's going through every last file.
And I play dead and I stay dead. Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my
There we go.
bed. Think you're something.
While it's opening, I might open my Visual Studio as well. And then I'm gonna work with the music next stream, and then later on when I have like 10 days left or like 5 days left, if I wasn't done with music, then I'm just gonna go ahead and launch my program. If I have time after that as well, I'm basically just gonna be having some gaming streams because I do need detox unless I actually go ahead and have the VLAN stream if I'm done with this sooner. Okay. Because guys, every time after I'm done with the whole series, I did the same with like Python. I do have at least one stream full of just me gaming there. Okay, I mean, I don't really know what to play because I don't really have a graphics card type stuff. Oh wow, I'm going too low actually. Hey, at least I can see my player from here. Not bad actually. I can go back as well. And then, oh wait, I forgot it. Let's get it. And I want to decrease the point. Wait, what the hell? Why am I still black? My mesh is erased. Okay, wait, let me say something like, say it worked exclamation. However, I am not red instead. Let's go with something like I am not red, instead I am black, and my color does not reset to normal as well after 0.5 seconds. There we go, and then let's go ahead and send it. Both issues are caused by the same problem. Your materials don't have a base color parameter exposed to it. Another C++ replace both functions. What the hell? Okay, and then I'm gonna go here. Replace both functions. So first we're gonna go to the C++. Arena character C++ file, and then we replace both our functions. Our play hit flash function. And then I'm gonna go here. With Control S. Go here. Oh god, I just realized something. If I replace the functions, I'm gonna run into a crash again. It's gonna be all over again. It's fine. Nope, not stat component. Enemies is C++ file besides the original. Play a flash.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going.
There we go. Then let's set Control S. Now, since you're using a set over material, you no longer need original materials. Okay, let's compile from here this time. I'm gonna compile.
So bizarre, empty out the
Play the game. Honestly, I will be playing the game in a bit because if I play it right now, I don't really have a graphics card, so you guys won't be able to get the full experience. But I will try getting it a bit sooner. Let's see. Guess we're waiting for it to compile.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on safe. So I'm taking 6 shots.
And I think I've got so much done in this stream, like in literally 2 hours and 39 minutes. So that was pretty good. Next stream, I'm going to be adding music, and then the last thing that I do gotta do is basically shooting. By music, I mean sound effects and all those stuff, which apparently happens to be pretty easy here. Let's see. I can actually tell adding sound wouldn't be as hard because we just gotta give our sounds this file path for whenever I attack triggers or something like that. The real thing is gonna be that I gotta actually make the sound effects. Next stream is gonna be freaking hilarious.
Let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed.
Okay, compilation does.
We'll never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, hard.
Alright, compilation is gonna fail, definitely.
Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't
Succeeded, one failed.
all those mathematicus.
Okay, it's better if I go ahead and compile it from
That pays us enough. I'm about to pop.
because I can give a better error here.
Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss.
Okay, restore original material. Let's go there. I mean, yeah, I do gotta remove some of this stuff from here. Let's not do that. it and say,
what I want
I
to.
get this error.
Something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight
It's an easy fix.
to get lost. I'm sick of this place.
Okay, you have 2 copies of Restore Original Materials. Okay, keep only 1.
Feeling okay.
2 copies. Line 322 in character C++ 322. Right there.
Shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking
Of course.
straight to the face, and I'm
Okay, and then keep only 1.
place. Don't know how to stop when I'm
Control Shift B. This time it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Let's see.
I think I'm going crazy.
Okay, let's go with Control C.
6 shots, all straight to
I got that error now. Guys, there are so many errors. How am I blind? Okay, let me paste your currency plus control C, control V, and then let's send it. I can see it clearly. The restore to delete the entire block here, which has up to our char mesh.
running. I always take what I want.
Only the first one.
100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always.
Let's go with Control Shift B. Now I shouldn't be seeing that.
Now wake up.
There we go, result succeeded.
Enemy. Look in the.
And then we're gonna go ahead and open our Unreal Engine.
Not working out. Maybe it's the
I'm gonna
chemistry.
go with Control Alt F11 real quick to compile because I want to compile it myself. Now, I swear to God, if I run into a crash, I clearly compile it through Visual Studio as well. Even if I do run into a crash, it can be
Some
made.
clarity to find your identity. It's mine.
No crash.
Everything.
Okay, let's see. Okay, I mean my NPC's color. Okay, here. Okay, let me say. Okay, it fixed it! Exclamation. But my NPCs are black, although their color resets. However, my Hannah's color does not reset, and it is black. Okay, and then let's send it. 2 separate HTML Facebook. NPC is black, the same base color parameters. The set vector parameter does not color your material, so it just returns black. We need to skip that line entirely since set overlap material with any material will tint the animated field. This restore isn't being called on arena character. Let me see your current arena character in the C++ file.
Strong.
Yes, I'm gonna go to my arena characters file.
To my face while he's
There, the real figs both will be creating simple red blue lips material in the editor. Okay, found the problem. Found both problems. Your play hitch was a leftover code mixed with set origin is still using. Replace both functions entirely with this.
I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Okay,
When I feel like this,
and now we replace this function and that function with that. Can we Control S? Okay, key change only 2 things. No longer has red. Control Alt. Control Shift B, I mean. Let's wait for this to compile. I mean, build real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and build my solution. Okay, once it's done building, I'm gonna go ahead and compile it through Unreal Engine, and then let's just hydrate my lips real quick. There we go. Now let's run the program. I'm gonna kind of shrink myself a little. Up. Okay, okay. Now my Hannah's color does reset, but it's black and it's not red. And then just like go here. Let's just try hitting one NPC. Okay, wait. Let me just go ahead and say something like,
when I've been just
now both reset back to their original color. However, when they are hit, the color is black. Okay, let's see why is the color black. I think we're reaching a stalemate here. This is getting hard. The black color happens because that vector base color doesn't work on your material. Step 1, create a red material in Unreal Engine. Go to Contents browser, open Content browser, right click materials. So I'm gonna go to Content. Where do we create materials? Double click it, open it, material, grab, search constant vector. Okay, so I'm gonna go with something like material. Let's say kill, damage material. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and double click that. In that, I'm gonna go ahead and right click and add material. Material. No? Oh, I spelled it wrong.
Feeling like a waiter, scraping my mind against the cheese grater. Before you go, sir, you have to
Name it M_hit flash.
You wanna get away, you better get
And then double click it. Okay, so in my hit flash,
I've got a lot to say.
in the materials graph, right click. So right click, search constant 3 vector, CONSTANT 3 vector. 3 constants, right? So I'm gonna go here and then double click the color node. Well, double click the color node, set it to pure red. Then hit OK. Plug it into emissive color. Emissive color, this. Okay, in the details this panel, set blend mode to translucent and shading model to, okay, so in blend mode, where in the world is blend mode?
Don't wanna
Okay, in the details this panel,
prove I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you,
blend mode.
you don't do well. I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no
Okay, let's go with something like Windows Shift F, because it's a picture, paste it here and say something like
stabbed in the back bed. I show you what
hit flash, something here.
action.
Okay, I did. Okay, you know what? Let's add the C++ first. Oh god, there's a lot to add here. What the hell? And then hit save. I'm gonna go with something like Control Shift S. Now reference it in C++ files. So go to Arena Characters' header files. Header files. Add a property. Oh, I've got like a bunch of U properties here. What the hell?
For the things you know you love. Do what?
Maybe add it somewhere up here.
And see life do what you want. So
There
fight.
you go. This is going to have a triple asterisk as comment that is going to go ahead and say something like,
You think
this is going to be my flash material.
you want. So give me all the scars. I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start. You had problems with me and the things I could be. I just wish I had seen.
Okay, flash material for hit. Add the same thing in our C++.
Things that I
Now copy that, Control S, and then let's go to our enemy NPC's header file.
feel this pain. You already know. Turn that to gains. Let my money show. I
Okay, and then Control S. Now in update in both files. Update play hit flash in both files.
for the things you
Play hit flash.
do. What you think?
Control S, and then let's go to our C++ here. Play hit flash.
Fight and
Then I'm gonna hit Control S.
things you
Okay, and then for C++. Oh shoot, this is for. Oh, no.
and see life do.
Uh-oh, did a small little mistake here. Let's go to C++. I'm gonna go there. This is not gonna be Arena character. Assign the material in Unreal Engine after compiling both characters and BP enemy. Blueprint self. Details panel, combat, hit flash material. Okay, wait, hold up. This is so much to process. Control Alt F11. Let's just go ahead and compile the code real quick.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll
There we go.
and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who
Okay, and then I can't find blend mode.
getting after it. I
Okay,
got
let me go with Windows Shift S. Let me say,
fast like a roast.
I am done adding my C++ and .h file content. However, in the blueprint, I can't find blend mode.
Ain't no humble brag.
Then let's send it.
Words you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last and to believe in what you got.
I can say material setup is correctly. The console is plugged in. Click on an empty area in the material grab. Deselect everything. Oh, I'm an idiot. No. Look for blend mode. Change it to translucent. Blend mode. Change it to translucent.
Love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
Translucent. I see multiple translucent.
I don't ever slow.
Okay, translucent. Also find shading. Change it to shading mode. Okay, which translucent should I go with?
And wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a
Which
consequence of being incompetent.
translucent should I go with? Question mark.
I'm not here to
Okay, let's see.
take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead
Let's
of
change this to util.
it's topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable.
Oh, that's red.
But they're always possible.
Okay, select addictive instead of translucent.
They
It's
spread.
actually better. Okay.
Going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up. No, I'm not.
Hmm.
I will make it to the top. Taking off in the wind. I gotta make
Okay, and then apply, save.
it. Taste it. I'm patient, but my mind it can
Control Shift S.
in a dream that I've had for several ages.
Apply
For the taste.
and save.
Now that I've been
Done.
I never got
I mean, it doesn't look that bad to be honest. I could always change it. Okay, now assign both to blueprints of BP underscore character. BP underscore character. We're gonna go and find hit flash.
wanna hate this. I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't
This is going to be represented by my M hit flash. Let's go with something like M underscore hit.
play tough and wanna hate this. I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.
M hit flash. Okay, and then let's exit it. Compile, Control Shift S, and then let's go to C++ file. I'm gonna open the blueprints. Let's go here, and then I'm gonna go with something like M underscore hit. My bad. Hit flash. M hit flash. Then let's just go ahead and compile, Control Shift S. Okay, and then let's play.
Enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new
Oh, I
degree.
can't see squat here.
Anything.
Okay, I don't see any colors in here.
Electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I
Okay, well, let me just go ahead and say something like I do not see any color in general now. It's stale.
It's everything I've been
Interesting. Probably because of the addictive is not being found because it flashes null, meaning the assignment did not say properly. Can you tell me when you search hit flash details panel, BP underscore Vina, did you actually see property?
You are not a star.
Okay, did you assign blueprint class defaults at the top? Okay, and then hit flash. It did work though. I mean, I did see and assign them though. Is it? Let's go with something like, is it because I used negative question marks? So it's two trans or something like that. Okay, and then let's send it. What's going really, really good. It's exactly addictive. Adds color on top with material are dark. Those colors won't show as much. Okay, double click the red constant node. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and then let's double click the red constant node. Okay, change R to 1. R is 1. It is set to that though.
You are not as tough though.
It was set to that though. Okay, let's see. The high value 10 makes a message glow much stronger. I can see the color picker RGB only goes from 0. Okay, brightness of that. Cancel on the color picker. Okay. In the details panel on the left, you can see constant with the red bar. Okay, click on that bar. It's the same exact thing. At the top right of the color picker, you can see a small arrow. I don't see an arrow. HDR, set R to 10. Or the easier way, directly in the node, close the color picker, okay? Look at constant 3 vector, it shows X, Y, Z value. Type 10 in X. That's a dark shade. Apply. Oh, I did not apply, my bad. Shoot, maybe one would have worked as well. Let's try. Okay, and then let's try playing. Yeah, it's definitely because I forgot it apply back then. Ooh. Ooh, what the hell? Yeah, I forgot to apply back then. What in the freaking world is this? Oh, I just forgot to hit apply before. Okay, let's try to change this to 1. They're more like orange now. Ah, that's always 1. Hit apply, save, jump into it. Ah, there we go. I want it to be a little darker though, what the hell? Oh wow, the damage actually pans up here. That looks really, really good actually. I'm not even gonna lie. What if I increase some of this though? Let's see. Let's get the RGB up here. What if I make it a bit darker? I want it to be a darker red color, like a nasty one. Then let's hit okay. Let's go with something like apply. Translucent does look a little bad. I'm gonna fix it later. I'm gonna test different ones. For now, I'm just gonna go ahead and try it. You know what? I think the 10 looked pretty good. That looked kind of nice. This doesn't look as good. Therefore, I'm gonna go up here. Okay, what if I actually change this to, let's say, 6, not 10. I'm just gonna change it to 6, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply. Good, okay, and let's run it. Okay, let's see. I mean, I think 1 is pretty good though. I might try going with 2. And actually, I'm going to change this from addictive to, let's say, translucent. I forgot it apply. Okay, now let's run the code. I mean, let's run the program. Okay, you know what? Nah, I like translucent better. I'm gonna go with addictive. I mean, I like addictive better. Let's go to apply. What all are there? There's alpha. There's translucent for this. Okay, that is awful. There's color. Hey, how is this? Let's try applying this. This may look better as well. This is color transmitted. Okay, let's run. Hey, wait, this is exactly what I wanted, the hell? Okay, this looks so much better. Okay, I'm just trying to hang them. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Guys, that sidekick was on spot. Wait a minute, I just want to test something. Maybe 0.2 seconds would be nice. Let me say it's worth estimation, but can we change the time to 0.2 seconds question mark? Yeah, I think 0.2 seconds would be a bit better than 0.5. Maybe I'll even change it to 0.3. Easy, no recompiling in C++. Option A, go here. In both C++, change 0.5 to 0.2. Make it editable, okay, and then C++ 0.5 under flash duration. Okay, let's go to the header files. Okay, If I'm lucky, they're gonna have it both in head of us. Well, I guess I'm not that lucky, so I'm gonna go up here. There we go. I'm gonna change that to 0.2, and then let's go S, and then I'm gonna go. Enemy NPC is a C++ file. This is gonna be 0.2 seconds. Control S, and then let's go here. Let's go with control log F11. I could honestly make it available as a U property here, but I don't think I want to do that because sometimes that actually ends up getting me a crash. Let's run it. 0.2 should be better.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium.
There we go. As long as I'm
This life gone.
attacking this guy, I'm good, right? Then I move, then just
I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go.
You know what? I'm gonna wait for the next wave.
Stadium packed, baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad.
What if I want to change the color of my material here?
Because they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay
I want
back.
to go with attack. I should have gone with defense. Damn it.
All caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot.
You know what? 0.2 seconds is actually perfect. What the hell?
Sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane.
Nice.
Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless.
Wait, what happened when I just lost? Control Alt S.
It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better.
No, I'm just gonna stay here wait for everyone to come to me.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed.
Okay.
Star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only
Okay, let's be hit faster, faster.
cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
Are they still hitting me? What the hell? I'm still being hit, no way. Okay, I guess I'm here. Now let's exit. Okay, perfect. I think that's actually good. Although there's one more thing. Let me say something like one more question. Is it possible? Nah, I think neon doesn't look good. I want to change my color here. My blueprints color right here. Of my wave complete to be like neonic, but I think this looks good. I want to add some kind of a neonic tone to it. Actually, let's ask. Let's look at the picture. Okay, let's go here. The color change works exclamation. However, I have another question.
Star in this life, gonna live it up on.
Is it possible to make my text here look
No cap.
neonic? Question mark.
Live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad.
Okay, love the idea. It's totally possible. Wave complete UI, make the text, wave complete details, span, appearance, color opacity, gauge, the glow effect. So we're gonna select this, and then I'm gonna go to details panel. Still on the text color, down details panel, render opacity keep -1, shadow offset 0, shadow color. Okay, the real trick to neon is using material on the text, true neon glow. What color are you going for? Okay, let me just check here. Maybe no, wait, let me just complete this wave real quick. It's really based on this wave. Okay, let's take a picture. So that is my wave complete for now. I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna paste it and say that is my wave complete for now. What color do you think would look good and blend with the background? I mean, I could think it, but then I'm really bad at like decorative stuff. Want some recommendations? Look at your map. It's bright green grass, okay, with dark roads. I'd go with neon science / electric blue, something like. Okay, I guess there's one trying it.
Above all the rest, put me to the test.
Okay, green blends in grass, white
Happening next.
plain, yellow riot.
This life is a lesson, he got a new engine.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open this.
An obsession on
Appearance.
possession. You got their attention. I
Like
leave an
that.
impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11. It's time for progression. Could try to play it, but
Okay, there we go. There's appearance. Color and opacity, okay, said RGB. Color and opacity. Okay, so 0.8 for green. Okay, and for blue, we go with something like 1. Nice. Let's do the same for this. 0.8.
Somebody who could save him
1.
instead of searching inside for what they
Okay, repeat the number for the number. Okay, then for glow effect, find shadow color. Okay, shadow color.
staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase. I
Okay, shadow offset to 0 and 2.
dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take
So
off from the weak mind.
that's gonna be 2.
Lives you create thoughts, never waste time. You got
Is that it? Does that add a neon?
pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts.
Okay, let's go with something like Windows Shift S. Okay, let's paste it. Does that
From the people who deceive me, muddy and
right question mark? And I like Cyan. Yeah, actually thinking about it, Cyan does look much better.
fast asleep.
Okay, that is great. Cyan is correctly okay. 60 shadow. Your shadow is currently at A alpha.
No free me.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Alpha with opacity can't really go up there, but this gotta be 1. Okay, increase the shadow offset slightly. Change 0.02 to neon.
I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost off
Okay, let's change that to 1 as well.
said some shit that I can't let go. So just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
Okay, wait, hold up. Hit compile.
Betrayed, Frenchie side.
This is just mirror. Can you guys see this thing? Then do the same in game settings. Okay, wait, hold up, not that. On for a cool double glow effect, set multiple shadow offsets like 2, 2. Okay, I did not understand the shadow offset. X and a Y. Okay, I did not understand about the shadow offset. Let's go to Windows Shift S. I did not understand what you meant by shadow offset. It does not look neonic. Should I play to see the neon color question mark? Okay, let's see, and then I'm gonna go ahead and send it. Yes, play to see the result. The design doesn't show the full effect. Oh, I see. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go here and then let's just try it. NPCs. Guys, I love the attacking color here. Like,
I'll fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue.
okay, you can see every time you're being hit here. So that's nice. You can't spam it.
Heating up inside of me, blood so violently, thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
Okay, not as good, but also make it more neon. Make it more neon. Change shadow color to match cyan. Oh, to match the cyan. Okay, so shadow offset. Oh, shadow color is 0.8. That's gonna be. Is that neon? Then this is going to be 0.8. Be 1. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and compile. Now let's go ahead and 1. Wait, control. Wait, I'm gonna exit. Control Shift S in case I crash. Okay, and then let's just go ahead and end this. Da-da-da. And let's go there. I'm gonna go ahead and feed these NPCs as well. I don't see neon. I mean, it's not like that's that important, but I want to kind of figure out why it's not neon. Okay, da-da-da. Okay, because black doesn't look half bad, to be honest. I did it, but when I play, I do not see neon. Then let's send it again. Okay, because I think it's almost done. Music is basically the only thing. I'm just adding some more decorations. They got a lot of time in my hands. Look at your screenshot. The designer view already looks pretty good. UMGs, layer color. In your canvas, duplicate the wave complete text widget 2 times. Position to exactly on top of each other. What the? Wait, hold up. Look at your screenshot. The designer view already looks pretty good. With cyan, the shadow isn't creating its neon glow because UMG shadow system is limited. For a real neon glow, the best trick in Unreal Engine is to stack multiple text images on top of each other. In your canvas, duplicate wave complete 2 times. Okay, so wave complete. Duplicate and duplicate. Okay, position all 3 exactly on top of each other, which is gonna be at this position.
That shit is so exponential. I need a
Copy.
to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks. I'ma take you to the clinic if you want a taste. Come at me and
Copy.
they won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
Then let's go with something like copy. There we go. Okay, and then I think the same thing with the other one as well. Okay, and then let's layer them. That's original one, right? Okay, so sign 0.8. Okay, I think it's all colored up. Let's compile. I'm not gonna do the same with my other text because I just want to see if it has a neonic glow. If it doesn't, I'm gonna switch back to black. I think black can look much better than a non-neonic cyan. Because for some reason, black has the potential to like actually go good with any color. Yep, I see no neon. Okay, well, I guess, I mean, I wouldn't say it's a shame or something. It's just fine. I'm gonna change the color back to black. Set okay, and then let's set okay. Okay, wait, let me say, the color still isn't neon. I think I'll switch back to black. Because I want it to look like a good color, but if it does not, that's fine. Uh-oh, I see a shadow. Fair enough, black is green. What the hell? Okay, zooming in, I do see that, but that's not neon. Looking really close, I see this, but this is not neon. Actually, that looks really good, the black with cyan, does it? To make it look more neonic, shadow offset to y-axis. Okay, I want it to be blurred out as well. Shadow could be blurred, to be honest. Hey guys, it's never been so hard to kill the first wave. Actually, I think I'm getting so much better at it, it's not nearly as hard. That looks good. Okay, shadow offset y-axis. Okay, so shadow offset y-axis. Oh wow. That's like wave complete. Okay, wait, is it possible to blur it a little? Okay, track A. Keep black with cyan shadow, look sci-fi, very well with your map, true neon required. Creating a font material in Unreal Engine, which takes more steps. Which you prefer? Shall we move on to something else? How many steps does it take?
You say slow down.
Okay, let's see, because basically the next thing that I do gotta do is music. I'm done with everything else. Okay, for true neon, about 6 steps. You gotta create a neon font, neon. Is it worth it? Okay, well, I mean, I guess let's do it. Guess let's do it. Okay, I just don't want to reach my chat limit. That'd be sad and awful. Okay, I'm gonna go with save it all. Okay, right click in content browser. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my contents section. I'm gonna go to something like my material. Okay, let me just change this name to materials in general. Rename. Okay, M-A-T-R-I-A-L-S. There we go. Okay, now I have one which is hit flash material. I'm gonna go ahead and right click. Let's add a material, which is gonna be up here. I'm gonna go ahead and call it M_neon font. Okay, and then double click to open it. Select material domain. Material domain. User surface. User interface, I mean. Okay, set blend mode to addictive. Okay, I know that addictive is kind of neonic. Add the color node. Right click on the graph. Okay, let's go ahead and right click. I'm going to go ahead and add a constant 3 vector. I'm going to add a constant 1. There we go. And in my constant 3 vector, plug it into emissive. Emissive. I don't really see emissive. Okay, plug it into emissive. Let's go with Windows Shift S. Wait, actually, I'm gonna go and exit that.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Okay, let me paste it and say I do not see
Did you feel that?
emissive.
Guess you're trying to stay strong.
And let's exit that and let's paste it. Okay, let's try finding emissive here now. Okay, that's because user interface domain uses final color instead. Okay, 3 vector, plug it into final color.
As you fade away.
Okay, and then hit apply. That it. Okay, so I'm going to change G to 8. 0.8, I mean. You know what, let's just go with 8.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away.
And that is going to be 10.
Wake up, I feel like it's Monday. Something's going
Okay, sign. That's it. Hit apply.
in my brain. All of a sudden, I
Okay, seriously? Okay,
wait.
because yeah, that does look a bit neonic. Done.
In and out.
Now we move on to the wave complete. Okay, those were not a lot of steps at all. In wave complete, click the wave complete, find fonts section. Okay, let's go with something like font.
I never really asked to be.
And then I have font material, which is going to be my
Gravitational highs and the lows. No, you'll never be.
okay, and then go with M neon font, M_neon font.
Side, maybe we could be okay. Okay.
Which angle is that? Okay, I won't complain right now. I don't.
Today, I
Okay, and then for text countdown, I'm gonna go to font and I'm gonna add a M neon font.
will choose to stay through all the pain.
There we go. Let's compile. Now let's run it.
Tell me what.
Okay, I'm so glad there are just 3 NPCs here. Wait, did he smartly dodge that? Oh wow, they actually do have strong enough things to really dodge. What the hell is that?
Look away.
Whatever.
Known
Okay,
you too long.
it's fine. I'm gonna focus on ending them real quick because I cannot lose before I don't test this out.
Fade away.
Whew, okay. Hey, not bad, but I want it to be a bit more neonic. Oh.
As you fade away.
Maybe I'm gonna go ahead and change my addictive to mask. I mean, it is neonic. Like, I won't complain. It is neonic, but that is because of the font. But... Guys, this is the perfect color for attack. It's not even as neonic. I've got to play around maybe. I mean, it is neonic, but it doesn't give me the vibe. Let's basically say it is neonic, but not really the neonic that would look great. Okay, I wanted to look something like majestic.
I know you told your friend.
Okay, that looks really good. The cyan glow is working, but I agree it could look more neonic style. The issue is solid neonic and font. 111. So linear alert.
Till I look away.
Oh, plug in into the linear alert. What does that mean? Add a second constant 3 vector. Okay, let's go with something like constant.
As you fade away.
Okay, and then we need a linear alert.
As you fade away.
Okay, so 111. What do you think is max? Is it going to be a black color? Oh, it's white. Okay. Okay, and then add a linear lerp. So let's go with L-I-N-E-R, L-I-N-E-A-R, E-A-R-L-E-R-P.
I know you told you
Linear interpolate.
gay. And tell me what's
Oh god, L-I-N-E-A-R-I-N.
away. Guess you're trying to stay strong.
Okay, so this is going to be the lerp where my alpha is going to be... Okay, white is going to be 1.
It hurts to watch your blue eyes
Okay,
fade.
I'm going to set that to 1. Should I double click it? Okay, 1 and then sign. Okay, wait, how the hell do you double click this stuff? Gonna go there, and then alpha is going to be 0.5. Plug the lerp out to final color. Like that. That makes it look white. Oh, A111 B cyan. Oh, okay, so this goes here. There, 111, and cyan goes there. Like that, and then apply. And then Control Shift S. Okay, this does look a little bit more. I don't know, it looks a little dull. It doesn't look as neonic, to be honest. So let's see. Oh shoot, I thought I killed that NPC there. Hold up. I think he's one shot. Alright, what in the world? This doesn't look that good. It's more transparent. I want it to look something like... what is it missing? Let's think. Is it missing that it needs some sort of borders or something? Maybe shadow to it. I mean, it does work, but is it possible to add? Okay, I was just gonna add some sparkles. I don't even have these sparkle meshes. Let me just test it again. If I didn't like it, I'm gonna switch back to black, or maybe a stronger color. Let's just kill this real quick. The faster I attack, the faster they die. What in the world is that at times? Just kind of, my camera just messes up. Okay, I'm glad I took a picture. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Now, let's just kind of admire this picture for a bit. Let's see. So, apparently, what is something that it's missing here? Wave complete stays 1. What if I add a black background to it? This doesn't look half bad, to be honest. Red, compile. I mean, I won't say it looks so bad, but something is missing, right? Maybe because this is set to addictive. What if I go to like color?
Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm.
Mask.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
Let's test the opaque.
Cats and a string. You don't.
Thing is, it's really hard to kill them. I gotta kill them every single time.
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm
I'm
a
gonna go ahead and real quick.
and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins,
Ooh,
straight through.
that looks awful as hell.
I like you in my bed, but you keep me on. Everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and
Okay, there's surface, there's light fixture, there's volume.
I'm straight out of my head, under my bed,
Interesting.
out of my knowledge. Standing
Okay,
there,
most possessed.
down and I play
User interface, and then there's one for surface. Okay, that if it could get with this color, that would be good. Let's see.
Regret everything that you did, that you said. I don't think you
Oh, it's so tedious to kill them. I wish that I could decrease their
It's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you, I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there, gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the
5 seconds. I think it's just not showing. Okay, it just wasn't showing.
even though I offer
But
up.
fine, I guess I'm gonna go with user interface.
Love me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I
'Cause
never
I won't really say it's bad. It's not really bad. It's pretty good.
struck by Cupid. I I wish when I first saw you, I
Just the colors, just get them better in that.
feel so useless. I feel diluted. My
Would have like
wounded.
black look good.
It's if you were like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
White, yellow, orange.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
I mean,
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
it's not bad. I'll go with it.
Lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
Let me say something like,
Sick of being
I think I'm happy. Because the thing that I was actually looking for was basically sparks and make it look good. Oh my gosh, guys. I just hit the freaking limit until like 5:30 p.m. tomorrow.
dead and I stay dead.
I guess I'm glad I said I'm happy there. Speaking of happy, I saved everything. I'm gonna go ahead and exit that. I'm gonna go ahead and exit this. I'm gonna go ahead and exit that real quick as well. Let's exit that. I'm gonna go to OBS and then let's go to my main camera. Alright guys, so I might actually end the stream that I did way more than I actually wanted to. That said, if you guys did enjoy the stream, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, like it to my algorithm, try and make you smile, subscribe and get your on top. That's it, I will start touching on Twitch and Kick once I meet the followers. Actually, once I get a better graphic card, I'm going to start streaming on Instagram and TikTok once I meet the followers requirements. If you guys enjoy my content, haven't followed me, then make sure to follow me. Then the link is going to be in the description. The link is going to be in the bio. You guys can go ahead and get access of my Discord server by typing !Discord on chat, and also join my Discord server. That's where I usually talk to you guys, chat with you guys, have general conversation with you guys. The link is going to be in the description. The link is going to be in the bio. You guys can get access to the link of my Discord server by typing !Discord on chat. And I did actually create a new memes channel, which is pretty fun. Yeah, I would be I'm really excited to seeing all the memes that you guys sent me and all that stuff. That said, be sure to go ahead and let's say reiterate over the server wiki, more specifically the fourth category in the server wiki and the server rules to see what kind of memes you guys can send or cannot send. That said, I'll catch you guys in the next live stream or video. Peace.